Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. I almost said good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm so used to streaming in the morning. That's pretty funny. How's everybody doing out there? Put out an amber alert for Mike. There we go. Spit it out here eventually. Hey, after hours, we see the crude oil went rocketing up here a little bit. Let's go look real quick. It's 8:30 at 8:30. So Nikkei's open. Nikkei's down another 1,000 points right now. Come over, look at crude oil this evening. Crude oil went rocketing up, but crude oil is trying to maybe roll over here just a bit. Let's go see. Let's go see. Dollar index coming back down here a little bit. I do want to see. Let me get financial juice up here real quick. Financial juice. Japanese industrial. I'll keep an eye on it just in case we see anything dealing with Iran and such. I want to pay attention to that stuff. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Think Korea's gonna cut? Hey, something I don't think I touched on as much as I meant to in the video this evening was when we look at the S&P 500. Today, if we zoom that out a little bit, I'm still going to classify, and I guess not. I guess that's why I didn't talk about it. In my head, I thought today was more of a D as in dog shaped profile, but not really. A little bit too large of a range for a D shaped profile. Yeah, same thing with the NASDAQ. So they get a trade detector fire off right here above the upper regression channel. So let's see. Man, what a day it was today. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised I'm even awake right now. This morning was not fun for me. I just kept buy. I took a couple more trades later this afternoon and I basically ended back up to where I started last night or where I finished last night. Ridiculous. All right. Your best trade is the stocks. It's a bad day. It's a sad day. Let's go look at what was the sectors out there. Actually, when I looked over at, let me see if I can pull that up real quick. Let me see. We looked over at FinViz real quick. We actually looked at the sectors. Man, there's a lot more sectors today in the green than I thought there would be. We had 4 sectors in the, no, 5 in the red, but this one's barely in the red. We had a lot more in the green, but the ones that were in the red were in the red in a big way. So we shall see. I'm trying to rip back above that bubble right there. Now, if I look over here at the ES real quick, ES does have some liquidity at 6,400. And what do we have for liquidity on Mr. NASDAQ? Let's just look above. I'm looking for at night, probably 45 or more. We have 216 contracts at 245. And then another 63 contracts at 250. So 245. 245 is a little bit above the P point right here. A little bit above the P point. That rip just got you? Hey, Jesse, hopefully it got you in a good way. Hopefully in a good way, not a bad way. Yeah, I don't know. Really got to get crude oil to go down. And crude oil this evening already started shooting up and, you know, when the markets reopened, which is not good. Not good. Let's go see the ES real quick. The ES, we had a trade detector bubble right there. We're shooting up on the ES. Huh. It's rare that it gets you in a good way. Hey, but did it get you in a good way this time, Jesse? Come on, tell me it was in a good way. We've been talking about what I thought the market was going to do. But I mean, I thought that all morning too. JP Morgan's trade ends tomorrow. Hey, Chris, what's up? Good evening. Got a nice little ripper going. Are we going to make it right up here to this P point? Son of a gun. They're just tick, 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 tick. ES is ripping on up. NASDAQ way above the regression channel. I'm not going to be in a hurry tonight. I had enough excitement this morning, so I want to slow things down. I want to see if the NASDAQ can maybe rip up towards this liquidity. All right, right up here at 245 and 250. I am favoring the long side this evening. I'm favoring the long side. Let's see. I just had one of my micros hit. Micro trade just fired off too. Fantastic. Done and done with that. Beep, 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 beep. We're ripping. We got a ripper on our hands. Hey, don't forget on the S&P, we have the point of control. 64.28. And from a bigger picture perspective, I still think this week, whatever it's going to be, I don't know. We're going to make it to 66.39 sometime this week. So I'm going to keep trying to shoot towards that level. Bob said long from 2,300 or 23,000. Nice. You gonna turn the trade copier? Oh, son of a biscuit. I swear, every time we make a mistake, it's never in our favor. It's always against us. Or so it seems. All right, let's see. So, friendly reminder, if you guys haven't yet, smash the lucky like button. Hey, it's just going right back up. We do got crude oil coming down here a little bit. That should be favorable. I don't see any headlines. Trump told agency is willing to end the U.S. military campaign against Iran, even if the Straits of Hormuz remain largely closed. You can't do that. See crude oil coming down, so I wonder if this is what's moving the markets. I hope not. Come on, man. You can't do all that. Right there's a news article I seen. It came out at 2046. So is that why the market's moving? I don't know. They gotta get those straits reopened. We do have crude oil coming down. You see crude oil coming. Oh, that's $1. Hold up. We do see crude oil coming down as well. So crude oil going down, markets going up. Nowadays, it seems like everybody is crude oil traders. When crude oil goes up, markets go down, and vice versa. We got NASDAQ trying to take out session highs here. Again, I'm not in a hurry to go sling some losses out here at the moment. Yeah, I don't know if he just tacoed again or not. Let's see. So we have a untested point of control. So look, we got up towards that liquidity. Liquidity we called out. We're already there. I'm really surprised. But then we have an untested point of control that we could be working our way towards as well. 23,395. Hey, just think. We're only about 3 months done with it. Quarter of the way done with the year. What a year it has been. Been some good, some bad. Up, down, all around. So. Is that even done yet? It'll be interesting to see. Is the U.S. going to go ahead and back out now? Yeah, short week. Hey, Friday. I'm still going to stream on Friday. New York session. I want to be there for the NFP data coming out. And then I'll probably jump off after that. But I'm really trying to dig myself back out of these prop accounts. I smoked Friday after the stream. I smoked 5 Tradify accounts and left the other accounts with not a whole lot of drawdown. Made 200 bucks in the prop accounts today, so I think I'm up to 500 and some change in drawdown. Not good. Not looking good for them. So we'll see how this is all going to shake out. Again, I'm trying to be patient tonight, especially after that big move up. You know, my tingly senses want to short it, but yeah, Thursday's normal hours. Friday, they close at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. So NFP comes out at 8:30. We got about 45 minutes to trade, then boop. So we got to see how the prop firms trading hours are going to be. What time do we got to be out of the prop accounts? Just passed Lucid Flex. Nice. Hey, good deal. Hey, so if you just passed that Lucid Flex, you should be able to activate that account within 30 minutes. So you can start trading the funded account tonight if you choose to. That's all. That's one of the things I really like about Lucid. You don't have to wait around. They got their stuff together. You got it together. I forgot to do my little lesson today. Huh. All right. Yeah, head and shoulders on the video. We'll see what happens. Still thinking video wants to go a little bit lower, but we'll see. Oh man. Got Lucid Flex. I got the Lucid Flex accounts as well. But when I blow up the accounts I have now, I'm probably going to switch to 150K accounts. I'm thinking. We'll see. We are in short-term oversold, but man, I don't think this is down quite enough for me. I want to really take a crack at this. I might. You know what? I don't hear no sound. Let me make sure I got my volume. Yeah, I do. A little bit nerdy. I want to play a little counter trend bounce back up, but you notice we're still right here near the upper regression channel. So I do like that we're oversold, but I think I want to wait and see if we come down a little bit lower first. Let's see. We're gonna come all the way back down. I traded 25K, easier for me to get there. It is. Hey, so Atomic, 25K accounts are the easiest in terms of how much money you have to make the pass and to get to the payout threshold. But if you ever really want to be able to scale up, they limit the contract size. So I'm trying to do my my little Duolingo lesson for the day. Get ready for Costa Rica so I don't lose my my little streak. In case you guys are wondering what I'm doing. Let's see if the market's gonna take off. You don't want to trade like me. If you would have been at the stream earlier on this morning. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. On the right hand side, they're Ninja charts. You can download them for free from Ninja. And the white and blue lines are just the 50 and 200 EMA. So. I'm almost done with this. I think I'm almost done with this lesson. Why do we rip up? Because Trump's tacoing again. Taco. He's getting ready for Tuesday. He's getting ready for Taco Tuesday right there. What a bunch of baloney. How can you be done if they don't open the straits? You can't do that. This is part of his messing around. So we'll see if it's legit or not. It could be just trying to throw get Iran thinking they're winning. They've traded live at night again. Oh, hey, thanks Chris for coming out, Chris. Showing up. I do appreciate it. Can you download? Yeah, you can download Ninja for free. Hold on, I'll go find it for you. Ninja. On the other channel, I have it set up as a command in Nightbot, but Nightbot's not set up over here. Let me go. I'm going to find it for you. Usually it's hard to find. I have a link for it on the other channel. Oh, hey, it was the first one. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Hey, right here. Here's a link. Bam. Is this one right there. Right there. Oh, what is that? So. Hey, not a problem. Anytime. Anytime. All right, let me finish this little lesson real quick. Yeah, fund is already on your chart. Nice. Hey, Atomic, Lucid is super fast with that. You guys want to check out Lucid? Don't forget to use code Mike. You have I'm so confident I'm gonna blow my accounts up. I already went and bought the 150k accounts. I haven't traded them yet though. I still have the funded accounts. I'm just keeping them. I want to take advantage of the sale. 50% off. So it cost me, I think it was $170 for 2 of them. And the other 3 were like right around $200. Yeah, Koreans are so bullish. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, new deadlines. I don't know. I think we're going to take out the infrastructure here shortly. I think. I got one last question I got to beat. There we go. Keep the streak alive. All right, watch this stupid ad thing. Trump told aides he's willing to end the U.S. campaign against Iran. That makes no sense. Why would you end it? Oh, look, my 46-day streak is alive. All right. Oops. Let's see. You got that long, nice. I had a little bit with micros. I was in from earlier, but. So I've been trying to do it every day. It reminds me of a lesson. I'm like, all right, I got to do it. Trying to freshen up this time for this trip. So. All right, we got crude oil. All right, crude oil is only up $1.11 now. Let's go look at that real quick. Hey, he could be starting to gather more troops, maybe. You see, crude oil came back down. Is at the lows of tonight's lows. And I still think the S&P wants to go higher. I think the NASDAQ still wants to go higher. We have untested point of controls above us. On the NASDAQ, that point of control is still... Yeah, I'm half tempted to do a micro. I don't know if I will. 370. Nice. Hey, good job on that. Good deal. Good deal. I hear some more chirping going on. I was hoping for a little bit more of a pullback down here. I was hoping maybe back towards the bottom of that widespread candle. And maybe that regression channel come up here a little bit, but I might not get it. I know the rates are very important. All right, look how high energy prices are. If you can't get them down, that's going to be a problem. Let's go. Let's see. I'd love to see oil come down more. Short term, we did get overbought up here. Yeah, exactly, Rapid. I agree. Exactly. Which I want to go ahead and look at something real quick. Just so I can see any other articles about it. I want to see anything else I'm missing. Hey, but then 3 hours ago, Trump warns U.S. may strike Iran's energy infrastructure if talks fail. Makes no sense. So I don't know. Hey, Rick, have a good night. See you in the morning. Yeah, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Flip, flop, floppity, flip. Yeah, I haven't yet. Don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Hey, so look, could this be a little ABC pattern down like this? Let's see. I might take a little swing at this. It'll pop back up here just a little bit. You're not going to give me a shot for it. Really don't want to sell it down here. Stretch away from the EMAs. Let's see if we can get back towards the EMAs. Oh, just get me in. The ABC pattern is down here at 134. I don't know if I'm going to go all the way down there, but that might not even get none of it. I need to get back on moving my stop losses too. Been going for big trades, not moving my stop losses. Plagued by that again this morning on the live stream. Up to $300 on a trade, $400. It comes right back, smacks me in the face. All right, stopping the money. That's fine. Stop me out. Now watch it go down there. I'll be like, see, that's why I haven't been moving my stop. That's all right though. I don't want to go on another. I was down pretty decent today on the live stream this morning. It was not a fun morning. I way over traded. I spent like $600 and something in commissions when it was all said and done. Not good. See, look, if I wouldn't move my stop to break even, I'd still be in it. And I was in over here. So it came right back here, stopped me out. Trying to go back down. Early morning drones battling Iraq. So let's see. Are they going to try to rip it or not? We got to dip it down. See, son of a gun. See, that's exactly why I haven't been moving my stop. If I had not moved my stop, I would have still been in it. I could have got more out of it. Golly. No, hey, it's all good. I mean, those days happen. I'm not immune to it. I have bad days just like everybody else. So I'm no different. Yeah, oil's on the move back up again though. Oil's now up $1.35. It's back at 104. And look, see, if I wouldn't have moved my stop. Now watch, next time I don't move my stop, it's gonna stop me out, and I wish I would have moved my stop. It's kind of a hot mess I've been in lately. So, doom. Down $2 from today's high. Yeah. Then get crude oil going down, then we have a good shot of having a meaningful bounce in the market. We got to get that volatility index down as well. The VIX is way too high at the moment. Way too high. So. Yeah, 106 to 104. Hey, Rapid, I seen it down at 103. Let's see what the low in crude oil actually was. 103.73. Now, once we complete this ABC pattern down here, I may want to look for longs. We did make it down, right down towards that candle body right there. Just a little bit shy of it. When we started ripping here, I said, I wish we would have went down to here. We're down there. We are near the lower regression channel now. Dudes, I want to take a swing at it. Wow. On that rip up, we made it all the way to the third standard deviation band on the VWAPs, on the ES and the NASDAQ. Very interesting. So I'm just going to wait and see once we get down there if we try to firm up. If we try to firm up around this 134, I'm going to look for a long. It might firm up before that. There's a gap on the oil chart in the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, I don't see it, Rapid. I don't see the 5-minute gap that you're referring to. Oh, maybe right here, a small little gap right there. That's small though. Oh, it's filling it now. Yeah, I don't see it. Nikkei came up pretty good. Nikkei gap down. Whoop. Little U-turn. We'll have HSI opening up here in about 20 minutes. Oh, for when Trump tacoed? Huh. Yeah, hey, Jesse, my ES chart does not. Hey, you might want to start up in safe mode, Jesse. I've had that fix the problem before, too. Start up in safe mode, then go back in, and it fixed it. I tried reloading historical data and all that, it was doing nothing. If we can get crude oil back down, I think we get a meaningful bounce. All right, we're now approaching that lower regression channel, but we're still not at the ABC pattern completion. I do want to see something real quick. If we look at the gamma levels, look today. We made it almost all the way back down to the one-day minimum today on the NASDAQ. S&P didn't quite make it down as low. 0.5 gap in oil. Are we going to end up bouncing before hitting that ABC target? We are at the lower regression channel. I am favoring long still. Not to say I won't take a short. I already took a short. Last trade was a short. Let's see. Let's see. Dang it. I looked away for a minute before hitting the buy button. Might have missed it. Let's see if it'll pull back to the EMAs. Ideally, I want to get in near the 134, but I might have to jump on board. You just looked at his post? Watch it go to 134. I'm going to be ticked. I could not be patient. Let's see if we can get a decent little move up. Come on. Let's do it. Do it. I wonder if I should have taken that. So we get a nice little burst back up again. Nice little burst. And again, ideally, I don't think it'll happen tonight, but we do have an untested point of control at 23,395. Move my target up on that. Here we are. I'm back at that $200 threshold. Slips to 8 basis points. Reaching 3.950. Oil's trying to break back into the 103s. It's at 104.08. Oh, there we go. Let's go. So on the ES, we had a 9 count down here. NASDAQ, we did not. See if we can rip a little bit more here. Come on, big rip up. Please, please. All right, I'm not going to be an idiot. I'm going to move my stop in the money. Just in case. I want no more of these repeats from today. Come on. I should be happy with 300, honestly. $300 trade in Asia. Trying to be too greedy here. You bought 5 more Lucid accounts? Nice. Yeah, I bought 5 tonight as well. Even though I still got my funded ones, I bought 5 more evals. I switched up to 150K accounts though. So my funded ones are 50K, but I got a feeling they're going to blow here pretty soon. So I've already started replenishing them while the sale was still on. I got 2 of them for 50% off and the other 3 were 40% off. I just did it this evening. If I see 400, I might take it. Dang, I'm just gonna get out. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it. So I just took it. I don't want to risk it. I've been being stupid lately because of that. I'm up really big and let the market come all the way back down, stop me out. Same thing this morning. Same thing plagued me last week. So I'm trying to break that. I'm trying to get bigger moves, but of course you're gonna go up. Of course you're gonna do that. That's all right. At least I got something out of it. At least I got something out. Hey, oil now is back in the 103s. Look, we're all oil traders nowadays, even if we don't trade CL. Whenever oil moves, it affects the indices as well. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. You see oil right now, 103.38. Let's see if we can get this coming on down a little bit more. And again, I'm kind of in the mindset. We're working our way to the point of control. Oh, did we already hit it? ES already hit it. The ES already hit its point of control. NASDAQ did not. All the way up here at 395, but I do like this. Depending on how price is shaping up before I go to bed, I might take a swing at that with a micro. Or if we pull back here a bit, I might throw a micro on that. See how that plays out for the morning. See if I can hit target while I'm sleeping. That'd be fantastic. See? The trade I get out early, what does it do? It keeps on running. Can't make this stuff up. Cannot make it up. Golly. I gotta see something real quick. Yeah, Taco Ripper. Get ready for Taco Tuesday, baby. Taco Tuesday. Been the best Asia session for you. Congrats. Good deal. It's always great when we have a good trading session. Feels great. The bad ones like I had this morning, not so fun. Last night I did pretty good. Today was just freaking horrible. I don't know what was up. But market was going down and I was not willing to let go of my bullish thesis. I still think this week we're going to hit value area low from the weekly and the point of control in the ES. We have 4 consecutive untested point of controls. I'm not shaking that thesis. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not shaking it. No, sir. No, sir. So it is what it is. All right, we're still trying to go up here a little bit. Do I dare take another? I'm not taking it pushed away from the EMAs like this. I'm not going to look for it long up here. You got to at least come back down towards the EMAs. No, I think we're going to go lower this week. I just don't know. My timing was a little bit off today. I knew today could be a little bit rough, but I didn't want to be on the sell side. Then we get a big ripper out of nowhere and it goes all the way up and hits those areas. Cause of the spike was taco trade. Trump taco. Trump's taco right there. Told A's he's willing to end the U.S. military campaign against Iran, even if the Straits of Hormuz remain largely closed. So I don't know if that's him just playing games or I have no idea. That seems like a bad idea. Unless he's talking about just a ceasefire to, have talks. That would make a little bit more sense, but I still don't think you should do that. They should open the Straits and then go ahead with talks. Let's see if we can push up through this high. It's high right over there. There we go. Come on. There we go. All right, I'll take it. Thank you very much. Make up for the bad trade today. Yeah, charge him a toll. Orange man, you now have to pay. And again, I still think we're going higher. Oh, snack. Oh,
what's up, everybody?
Let's see.
I snuck in the back door. Yeah, what's up? I gotcha. I think I'm already on. Can y'all hear me? Yeah, I snuck in.
Can you guys hear Jesse? Oh yeah, they can hear you. They say, hey Jesse.
Yep. Sweet. Am I loud enough?
I don't know. Let me see. Talk.
Yeah, they say they hear me, not you.
Yeah, I was on mute.
What's up, Rapid?
Yeah, I turned you up a little bit.
Oh, sweet. Let's go.
I gotta see.
All right. Dude, that was one hell of a rip, huh?
Was.
200 points-ish from where I was short.
Oh, man.
We had a little pull up to VWAP. I said, yeah, let's smack this short. 200-point rip. Oh.
I'm telling you, I'm looking for a balance. I mean, I was wrong all day today.
Me too. I was looking to get long tonight even, and then I smack it short. Hey, the good news is I only had a single contract.
All right, so it sounds like you took a stop loss.
Nope, killed the stop loss.
You're still in it?
So if I broke, no, that's impossible. A 200-point rip takes you out of any prop firm.
Oh, man.
Yep. So I obey one rule and I disobey another rule. They'll get you anyway.
I'm telling you, we ever move by each other, I'm gonna zap you that cataprog. We're gonna come over and trade next to each other, and we'll stream it because it'll be hilarious.
Dude, I had a mental stop at the time, which was the
They don't work.
I know. I said, if it gets anywhere up there, I'm closing this. And then I didn't even have time. It just...
Yeah, there's no way. Man. Mental stops don't work. Be like, oh, if it crosses this line, I'll get out. All right, maybe if it goes up a little bit higher. Okay. Oh, I can't take this big of a loss.
Yeah, I didn't even have time to even have that thought, but you're right. I would have, had it been slower, I would have had that thought.
That stinks. Sorry to hear that.
Unbelievable.
I mean, I had a train wreck this morning. You saw my train wreck this morning. Yeah, gold's up 44 now. We got gold ripping and oil came down a little bit.
Yeah.
Market's going up.
CL dropping.
And there's gold.
Market ripping.
Gold's ripping. Huh. I wonder if Raj is. Yeah, Raj. I wonder if he's still on this. And that. He still has those puts that he sold. Could be making money on him if he did. He has them still. I don't think I seen him this morning. So. Dang it. I think we want that untested point of control in the NASDAQ. Right up here at 23,395.
I'm betting right now we get there tonight. Right here, this trade session.
I'm gonna be ticked off.
The way it's moving, it's going there. I can just feel it.
Hey, we've already had a. What is the range? Wow, 322-point range already. And on the ES, 75-point range already. It's only 930, not even 930.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nuts.
Crazy, huh?
That is nuts.
Oh, let's see. Let me catch up with the chat. We've got Atomic. What's up, Chris? Falal. Just ain't right. Good to see you guys. Tony. What's up, Tony?
Yeah, BK. Yeah, Trump tacoed.
Tacoed.
I mean, essentially. I mean, this pretty much sums it up. He told the aides he's willing to end the U.S. military campaign against Iran, even if the Straits of Hormuz remain largely closed. Does not even make sense.
I think it's fake news.
Says Wall Street Journal is the news source.
Yeah, I think. But then didn't he say something about? He said something else too. Hold on, let me find it. Maybe not.
They come out and say, just kidding, guys.
Yeah, I think
My
put
boys just need to make some money.
JK.
I can't watch the last 5 minutes of the video. Oh, hey, Dave. So I have it. So if I have it where you guys can rewind, the stream tends to get behind more so than if I turn that feature off. It keeps you guys closer up to date. Otherwise, the stream falls behind. If that feature is turned on where you can rewind it. So I try to remember to turn it off. I don't always remember, but I try to. Yeah, the cool. Hey, that could be too. Trying to bring oil prices down a little bit. We'll just back out. I mean, we don't care if the shirts are open or not. Maybe we'll just stop. Maybe. Oh, NASDAQ took out new session highs.
Yeah. Ooh, look at them. They're getting it.
Yes, a little ripper.
I can't believe I got taken out of the game in my first trade. I love this type of trading right here. Love it.
Love it so much you're already out.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. 2 million per boat. I don't know. I don't really believe that the U.S. is just going to stop and say, all right, it's closed. Yeah, that's cool. All right, we're out of here. I don't think that's going to be the case. There's something else in the background taking place. I don't know what it is at the moment, but the market's liking it. So, hey, let's not try to fight it. And again, I really hope we get value area low and the point of control tested off the weekly, and I can get that narrative out of my head, because that definitely hurt me this morning. That was not fun, man. I'm wore out. Hey, white boy, what's up? We got a ripper on our hands tonight. We's got a ripper.
Man, they are getting after it.
Let's go.
It's getting there. It's going to 400. I'm calling that 400.
Hey, we got a big trade detector bubble just showed up right here at 300. But what is that point of control? Point of control is at 395. Yeah, I guess we're not that far away now. Wow, we're gonna have 400 point range tonight.
It might keep going, Mike. It might actually keep going all the way up to 574 previous high.
I think the option collar, I think that's gonna relieve a lot off the markets.
Yeah,
we're gonna see those gammas. It's gonna influence the gamma quite a bit. And I showed it in the video at 6 o'clock. It was kind of funny. I rewound and Mentor Q just I went back to this morning. Hey, on the SPY, let me pull up a chart of the SPY real quick. It was pretty interesting because on the SPY, we had this level all day long, right here, right around 6:30 or so. And that's exactly where we came down to this afternoon. It was there at 9:30 on the gamma levels. And that's where we came down to today. We went just a little bit below that, 75 cents below it, and then pop back up.
Wow. Nice level, huh?
Yeah, I wish I would have paid more attention to it this morning, but I was just buy. I'm only buying, looking for that point of control retest on the weekly. And I know it wasn't going to hit today, but I thought we'd start moving up there. And now on the 4-hour chart, we have bottom number 1, bottom number 2, potentially. All we got to do is take out this neckline right here. Then whoop. And again, that doesn't quite take us all the way up towards the point of control. That takes us, though, above value area low. The rule behind that was when we close outside of value, expect the next 1 to 2 sessions. One profile represents 1 week in this profile. So either this week or next week. And then we have that point of control. It's the 4th consecutive untested point of control. So I really want to trade towards that direction. Today was just, the market wasn't having none of that today. Market was just laughing at me and taking my lunch money. That was brutal this morning.
Yeah, tell me about it, dude.
Not fun. Not
You're
fun.
lucky. Let me just tell you, you are lucky you know how to take a stop loss. My Lord.
I'm telling you, the whole stop loss, being able to take it, all happened from the chat. When I had that big loss, I tell you that all the time. When I had that big loss on stream, I felt bad enough about it. I never wanted to do it again. It was horrible. So the stream actually helped me out with that. If it wasn't for the stream, the dollar wise, it wasn't. I mean, $4,000 kind of sucked, but I've had worse losses than that, so that's no big deal. But doing it in front of everybody, that really sucked. I was like, no more of that. I'm done. Give me a short capitulation. Hey, so last night we ran up. Are they going to do it again What do you think, Jesse, this time around? Run up all night long and then they dump it again tomorrow morning?
No, because you don't have the options pressure tomorrow to, well,
We do
they
for a
don't
little bit.
expire till tomorrow, but I don't think it'll run down this time. I think this is it. My opinion, just an opinion, not financial advice, but I think the lows are in, folks. This is the turnaround, in my opinion. Let's see.
Hey, Yoda, it does add up, but I was wrong today. I kept going long, so if I didn't take my stop loss, I would have got all of that to the downside. And I was able to come back today. I think when we left the stream, man, I think I might have been down just a couple hundred or back close to break even. I can't remember when I left the stream. I took a couple more trades later on. I got essentially all that headache this morning just to get back to where it was last night. That was horrible. I talked to my friend. I was telling Jesse earlier too. I called my friend up. I was like, "Hey, how'd you trade today?" He goes, "Oh man, I did great this morning." I said, "What do you mean?" He goes, "Well, I heard an alert go off on my computer. I was like, let me just see if I can bump it up a little bit more." And he's been getting daily payouts from Take Profit Trader. If you guys want to check out Take Profit Trader, use code Mike. But he took another trade, then led to another trade, went down 1,600, and then basically got back to where he started the day out at, or where he was at the high water mark in the morning.
So a lot of work for
just to get back to where you were.
Yeah.
That's the same thing I essentially did today. I had over $600 just in commissions today. I way over traded.
Woo.
And that's the problem with me. If I get down, that's when I'm more tempted to overtrade. If I'm up, I can hold it pretty good and, hold back the FOMO quite a bit. But once I'm down, all bets are off. What's going to happen?
Targets filled. There we go, baby. Let's go.
You got targets filled?
My trailing stop just kicked up. There we go. I'm out of that trade.
I didn't know you're trading.
Oh, I'm just trading the Sim 101 account in Ninja.
Oh yeah, they always work.
I
think that Sim 101 is rigged. Hey, who else thinks Sim 101 is rigged? Whenever you take a trade in Sim 101, always works out. Losing 6K on one of your TPT funded accounts. I did make 10K on that. Trump news tonight. Oh man. Well, at least you made 10K tonight. Yeah, it sucks losing that much. I made 200-ish on the prop accounts this afternoon. I was on the phone with Jesse. He's like, "Get out! Get out! Where are you at? Get out!" He was screaming at me to get out, trying to jump to the phone and hit the button for me.
And at first he was really stubborn. He goes, no. And then finally he goes, "Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to be an idiot. Let me just close this."
And good thing I did, because then it went down after that.
Yeah. I said, "I think you're starting to like me, Mike. You're listening to me a little bit more and more as time goes on."
I really wanted more out of that trade. I was up more on that freaking trade at one point, but stupid market.
Hey, good job, Rapid.
Hey, crude oil is down. Crude oil is down 58 cents now. It's at 102s. And look, crude oil goes down, markets go up. We're all effectively crude oil traders nowadays.
Yeah.
We're at the mercy of crude oil. What's crude oil gonna do? Yeah, squeeze. I was thinking we were gonna get the squeeze today. I was like Michael Burry a day early. A little bit early. I might not have been wrong. I was just early. See if we can get this crude oil really cracking to the downside. That'd be nice. I can't believe that all this is just from that Trump news. Oh, there's another red. Chinese manufacturing PMI 0.4. All right. We just keep chugging new highs.
It just keeps going.
Layering a few lotto puts. Oh boy. Hey, be careful. We have those targets on the S&P substantially higher. And again, I'm not saying we're going to get there tomorrow, but by the end of the week, I do think they get hit. And we do have a short week. So holiday, as we get later in the week, right around the holiday, tends to be more bullish than bearish. Yeah, that's it. Hey, Rapid, as long as we make money off of it, that's all that matters. Let it be irrational all the way up there, hit those targets, and then I never said that crap. We're going to obliterate them. We don't care if they open the straits. We're going to open the straits. Markets just say, "Oh boy, woo! Oil's going to shoot up." Hey, oil's down $1.08 now. That 101.81. Let's go look at crude oil. That's all you really got to do nowadays. Have a chart up of crude oil. That can be our indicator, at least for the time being. Crude oil is just barreling lower. Hey, how's it going? Hey, trading's going much better tonight than this morning. But last night was good to me as well. So last night was good. Tonight is good to me so far. So far, knock on wood. I took one short, got break even. I think I had 2 longs so far, 2 or 3 longs.
Yeah, new highs.
Nice. 443 on the funded. Hey, Atomic, is that the funded Lucid that you just rolled over? If so, I think Atomic just passed his Lucid account tonight, clicked over it and already got it funded, and now trading the funded account, I believe.
Wow.
Yeah, that's awesome. Lucid's fast with that. I love Lucid. They're fast. I just wish I'd hurry up and get my payout. I keep acting like a fool. I run it up and then, let me build more of a buffer. Smack. I really wish I would have traded those new Lucid accounts tonight that I got too. I could have got at least a little something.
You still can. We're going to 400.
Nah, we're too far up now. If I get in now, it'll be a big Trump will come out and say, I didn't say that.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're talking about. No, hey, Rapid, it won't be announced till tomorrow. They're hoping for tomorrow. Maybe it doesn't launch tomorrow, but they're hoping for tomorrow. It should be better than the current plans. I think it's all going to be end of the day drawdown. So, silver prices surged 3%. Yeah, gold's up 1.13% right now. Hey, let's go check on we already looked at Nikkei. Yeah, Nikkei is up right now. Nikkei filled the gap. HSI gapped up and actually running up. Filled the gap from last night. So they got the squeeze going right now. Oil down, oil up. We need oil to keep going down if we want this rally to continue. Hey, Jesse, we're almost there on the NASDAQ.
Yeah, it's trying to push right now.
Look, we're almost at that point of control.
Yep, I'm in a long here. Let's see.
On that Sim 101?
Yep.
That's a good rip. Look, 413 point range already. That's substantial for Asia.
You're telling me, dude, when I was short one contract and I watched it rip against me 200 points. I mean, I was thinking the same.
Hey, so if we look at the high, from the high today down to the low was 551 points in New York. We're already at 413 and we're only 3.5 hours into the Asia session.
Yeah.
That is nuts. Oh, we're still going.
There we go. Here comes your there. Oh, we're almost there.
I want to see oil sub 100. Oil sub 100, I think we go up. Juice it even more. Let's go look and see where liquidity is. On the ES, we have a little bit of liquidity up here at 64.75, 64.90, and then 6,500. Still pretty far up there. What about NASDAQ? I don't have anything. Nothing until all the way up here about 586. 586. Yeah, I don't think we make it that. If we make it that high tonight, that's going to be nuts. To the downside, 295, we have some liquidity, and then 260. That's still almost 100 points away for the first one. So liquidity, we're pretty far away from the liquidity right now.
Okay, there's a little nice pullback. Oh, I missed it. I was going to go long again. Darn it.
Nearly tagged 400.
Oh, yeah, it's going to, in this run up, it's going to hit it right here. Here it goes.
Gold's going to hit 5K tonight. Gold hits 5K. That'll be nuts. I don't think gold's going to hit 5K tonight, but if it does, let's go. Let's have at it. That'd be pretty insane. Yeah, any sort of confirmation on the Wall Street Journal post? Trump comes out and says, yeah, we're going to have dinner with Iran. Whoever we're negotiating with, we're going to have dinner with. We're going to invite him over to the White House and everything. What time is the news? The news, Trump already came out. Trump moving the markets again. I will say that's one thing he is good at. Market movement. Not always in the way you wanted to move, but let's go look at Forex Factory real quick. Let's go look. Monday night. We have no more news coming out tonight. Tomorrow morning, we have Jolts at 10 a.m. A lot of Fed heads speaking. Again, that Nikkei's right here at session highs, just like the ES and NASDAQ. I don't know. I almost think that everybody might be thinking big drop tomorrow. What do you think about that, Jesse? Saying we rally up tonight, then drop down tomorrow New York session?
Nah, no drop. I think it rallies, keeps rallying. That's my opinion. Of course, we need some catalyst for that. You know, more good news or something.
Gold is not playing.
But like all the bad stuff that's going on in the world right now is already priced in, I think. So
yeah, gold's getting it. Gold is a rocket ship. We've almost hit that level on the NASDAQ. Oh, we did. So NASDAQ hit that point of control, I think. If not, it's pretty darn close. Yeah, NASDAQ hit that point of control. You're right. We didn't have capitulation at the lows. That's something we missed. But it doesn't mean the bottom is in. This means we get a nice little tradable short squeeze rally on the way up to give us better opportunities to short later on. Trump syndicates getting rich off this market manipulation. There's no such thing as insider trading. They would not do that. Just ask Nancy.
NDX. Hold on, I'm just writing a response here on Discord over on Mentor Q.
You should have a mic because your YouTube voice is low. My voice is low.
I think our levels are pretty. Is mine? Is it me or Mike? That's low.
I think you're saying me. You're pretty hot. I mean, not like that.
Thank you, sir.
I got your mic pretty hot. It's like it's redlining pretty good. Nothing more bullish than a fail pattern. Saying I'm low. Green Trade says they're both good. I don't know. I'm in the red on my voice. I'm about -4 dB. So I don't know if
there's a little pullback. Hold on, getting long. Boom. Okay.
You're getting long.
Let's go.
Is that your little lower cloud or whatever?
No, we're nowhere near that.
So why are you going long?
Because we're at the bottom of the regression channels on the Renko chart.
Oh, Chris says we're good too. Firm on DXY. Let's go look DXY. Yeah, DXY is dropping too. DXY, I believe, was up today. Yeah. Hey, so I talked about that in the 5 o'clock video where we had a little bit of divergence on DXY. Open. We do have Bitcoin up 1100 tonight.
Ooh boy, it's breaking out of my channel. That's not good. If it breaks down here, I mean, it could go down to the 319-ish.
That's a pretty good run we had up on the 1 minute. You see, we had quite a bit of delta divergence too, which would actually be favorable for your trade. Wait, you went long, right?
Yeah, I'm long.
Oh yeah, it'd be against your trade. Be favorable to the short side.
The buyers are fighting for it here, but if they lose right here, it's gonna flush down to
holy crap. S&P's already had a 100-point range.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow. Wow. In Asia, that's pretty intense. 100-point session. Golly. That is nuts. Insane. Think about taking a short there.
Yeah, I think they're losing the battle. It might flush down to 319-ish.
I might take a short back in these EMAs. Just for a little pullback. I feel like that's what gets me every time. Just a little move. Dang it, I should have hit it. I was close. I was close to smacking it. I didn't do it.
They're still fighting it though.
I know, but I really just want to trade. But I only want to trade if it's going to be a winning trade. So somebody can please let me, confirm that it would be a winning trade if I place it.
We need an indicator that says right on your screen, like, this one's going to be a winner.
And all I gotta
Stay
do
out of this one. This one's going to lose.
then just take the winning ones. It's the best way to improve your win-loss ratio. Only take the winning trades.
Yeah,
Filter out all the
what's funny
losers.
about that? I bet you even if we had something like that, we'd still find a way to mess it up.
It said the last three were going to be winners. It's got to be wrong this time.
Uh-huh. Okay. Here comes 319, I'm guessing. Let's see.
I want to short it. I just can't. Yeah. I want a little bit higher in the EMAs. Take just a little scalp down, not much.
Well, you've said that 3 times. I've watched it rip up to your.
I want a little bit higher. Hey, John. Yeah, gold's ripping tonight. Gold's up 83 right now. That sucks. I missed it. So I'm gonna watch near the lower regression channel, see if we try to bounce. I feel like I already missed a short.
Yeah, you missed. It's gonna go to 319. I'm thinking. Hey, what's up, John?
We're way far away from VWAP's all the way down at 162. On the ES, VWAP's at 6403. So we're 40 points above it on the ES.
Way down there.
Yeah. So normally a trade I'd want to fade, but usually not until like around 11. I don't know. I'm not looking for a whole trend reversal. I was looking for a move back down the lower regression channel right here, which is right now around 327. Another bar or two, maybe it moves up a bit. Palladium surges 3%. That's a pretty good initial move, and then the secondary move was pretty good too. The second leg was let's just measure that out real quick. The second leg was 234 points.
Really?
Yeah. Which I can't believe I didn't draw this out. Let's go draw out the ABC pattern real quick. We did not hit it yet. ABC pattern's at 484. So we still got more room to the upside. 484. Yeah, 10-year yield was actually down today, which I didn't look at it tonight. I don't even know if it's... Yeah, 10-year yield's down right now as well.
I guess it didn't quite make it down to 319.
Not yet. I mean, you wanted to go long though, didn't you?
Did I say 319?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Well, the line's moved now. Oh yeah, things are adjusting as time goes on here. Now it's 330. $330 is the median price on the last 6 5-minute candles.
I don't know. I might want to go long again. Might want to start looking for a long.
Oh boy.
I feel like I missed my short. Now I'll go long and it'll dump. I was seeing the bid ask way over. Oh, my candle was behind. That's why. My chart was scrolled over. I see a nice little ripper again. I think the big rippers are done for the night. But let's see if we can get a little something.
Yeah, I think the big rips are done, but it's still moving nice. I mean, this is cool.
Yeah, it's nicer when it goes towards my green line, not my red one.
Get up there for Mikey. And for me, I'm still in that long. In fact, let me.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh.
I hit close right as it did my thing and it flipped my order.
Oh, really?
I did. It must have been instant at the same time.
Well, maybe we're going down there. You might be in your short now.
No, I got out. I closed it. I didn't want to be in it.
Okay.
I wasn't trying to do that. I must have hit close right as the stop was getting hit. Because then it was naked too. The next thing you know, Trump will come out and confirm. Yes, indeed, I did say that. We are going to be withdrawing troops tomorrow. Let's see. Get one more shot here. And here's where I go through chop zone till 11 o'clock time frame. I'm gonna get back.
Giving it.
I'm gonna give it back now.
Don't do that.
I don't want to, but it's probably gonna happen. Yeah, troops are already there. Let's say, but they have not landed yet. They haven't went into action yet. There we go. Your brother told you? Well, they keep wanting to send more and more troops too. Hey, we're about done. We basically obliterated everything else, but let's send some more troops in. It's gonna be over any time. We're gonna send some more troops. I like to hear a little brrr. Get them chirping it on up. If I get 300 on this trade, I'd be pretty happy. If I see 300 without pullback, I'm going to probably close it. If we pull back to EMAs and rip again, I'll let it keep going a little bit. Hey, yes, look like, there we go. Wasn't quick enough. I looked over at the ES for a minute. I was like, oh, the ES is trying to rip a little bit. Come on, just a little squeeze up. Squeeze. I'm out. I said 300. I got a little bit more than that.
Nice. Good trade.
Gold par 3.
I'm eating maple flavored malto meal. Anybody remember malto meal?
No, what is that?
This is good, man.
Hey, Eric. Oh, Eric, you didn't miss much today except for it was a train wreck. It was horrible. Overtraded. Went from green to really red. Probably the most red I've been in a long time on stream. Back to break it. Back a little bit in the green. And then back slightly down. We're ripping again. I should have held that. Hey, we did have a 9 count down here as well where we turned. We had a 9 count down there. 9 count in the ES as well. The breakfast for old people. Hey, oil right now is down $1.83. Oh boy. Let's go look at that. Crude oil. As long as crude oil keeps going down, our market should go up. Crude oil right now is at session lows. We're at 100.87, down $2. Let's go. No, I'm not going to Belize. Not going to Belize. I'm going to Costa Rica. I might make a trip to Panama or Nicaragua. I'm not sure. While I'm down there. No, I haven't had any problem with the verification process.
What you need to do is swing off over here to the West Coast with that cattle prod.
I know. I'll zap you. I promise you I would. I mean, hey, shouldn't you just go ahead and move your stop? As soon as you do it, you just... I trick you into doing it just so I can zap you. Hey, it would be funny though. We both have like shot collars on. Turn max up. The other person has the thing. As soon as the other person sees them break the rule, zap it. That'd be a hilarious stream.
That would be funny.
You see him tense up like, ah. Oh man. That would be hilarious. Let's see. Are they going to rip it a little bit more? Yeah, Puerto Rico, 0 tax. really want to see crude oil dump a little bit more. I want to see some more positive news come out over in the Middle East. Get this thing ripping a little bit more. Hey, matey mate, what's up? On the ES, we do have some liquidity up there. 64.75. That's like 30 points higher. Where does gold go from here? To the moon. I wonder if they're thinking the Fed's going to be cutting rates. Everything coming on. So look, on the 4-hour chart, if we can break above here, let's go ahead and map this out real quick for gold. Gold has a potential A to B equals C to D pattern right now, which would complete. We got to break above, which we did. We actually broke above it. So the pattern is validated. Next target would be about 4,879. Not saying it's going to get there tonight or tomorrow, but that's where that ABC pattern completes. And the invalidation point would be down here at 4,381. Would be the invalidation point of that pattern. MACD looks good. We'll see if they can keep running it. We're about to rip. Let's go.
Good night there, Rapid. Good job, man. Congrats.
Oh, yeah. Good night, Rapid. Good night, good night, good night. So it's 10 o'clock. I think around that 10 o'clock time is where I've been giving back a lot of the money at night. And hey, I've had no problem with the camera. Hey, but I did it on my phone. If you do it on your phone, I've had no issues. Because you can have it transfer it to your phone. You got to look at it. I think it makes you roll your head and stuff. I've had no problems. I think the first one I ever had to do was a little bit tough. But then after that, it was pretty easy. Make sure you're well lit too. It helps out if you have a light in front of you shining on you kind of. Are we going to go back down? I could see us breaking that swing point right there. Get a little short. Do I want to take it? Do I want to take it? I'm going to miss it. That's fine though. I miss it. I miss it. You guys haven't yet? Let's see if we can smash that lucky like button.
Yeah, I was just going to ask how are the likes looking? There you go. Oh, it pulled back up into your moving average.
I missed it.
Yeah.
I was looking around at the other charts.
Shoot.
I still might take it. We bounce up again.
There it goes. It's bouncing
I want a
up
little bit
again.
more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Closer towards the 200. Want it closer to the 200.
Dude,
Want it closer to 200.
smack it, dude. Smack it.
Oh, yeah. I want a little bit more. Come on. I need a little bit more. Want a little bit closer to the 200 EMA. Want it right here. Yeah, tonight was the Trump taco trade. All you can eat. Beating the bulls. Let's see.
Hey, Mike, I think he's just talking about the verification that you got to do before you can get a payout. I don't know that he's actually trading from his phone.
No, he's talking about KYC, where you have to do the phone. I think that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, hey. I'm talking to the other Mike Pryor, who's saying, "Hey, don't trade from your phone." Mike does that all the time.
I trade from my phone all the time. And one time I was on the phone with Jesse. He's like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "Oh, I'm trading." He goes, "I'm driving down the road." He goes, "Get out of here!" I said, "I told you I trade. I trade from my phone all the time. Like, I trade all the time. I don't just trade when I'm online on YouTube."
Yeah, I mean, guys, you're not even supposed to text and drive. He was on the phone with me while trading on his phone while driving.
Supposedly I was driving. I mean, come on. I said I gave it the command, take trade if it's going to be a winner. And I have it programmed for voice activation.
Brad just got an eval with your code there. Thanks, Brad.
Oh yeah, I appreciate that, Brad. So fun.
Oh, cool. These guys. So Geeks of Finance just launched a video. What the options market is signaling for SPX, QQQ, and VIX. I'll have to give that a watch later.
We do have a little bit of liquidity down here at 295.
295?
Yeah.
Oh, we hit that 3. Did we hit that 330 I was talking about?
You said 319. I think you said 319.
Close. Yeah, no, the level moved up to 330.
Oh. So 295 is down here. We have 61 contracts. And then 370 would be the next one. So which one are we closer to? Kind of a little bit closer to 370. Kind of in the middle of the two, though. I still don't know if we go all the way back down. I think we're going to try to bounce again. I almost think that maybe I should look for a long, wait for it to like firm up a little bit, wait for the EMAs, look like they're going to cross and go up, and then maybe smack it. Just opening the camera. Says you have to allow access. Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, there goes that 330. Man, that would have been a nice short had I taken it up there when I called out the 330.
Yeah, me too. I was was looking for a little bit closer towards the EMAs. Looks like we might have got it over here, but I think I was.
All right, so
back here
the ATR, the lower ATR band is right at GEX 3. So if anybody's still holding the short, you probably got until 300. That's my guess. 300.
Hey, you don't think we do a little bit more of a retracement than that?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just saying, hey, you know, if I was short right now, I'd just be targeting the 300 area due to several factors.
38% retracement looks like it's at 232.
Oof.
I know. We've had crazy moves tonight.
Yeah, I mean, could it happen? Sure, why not? But
yeah, phone's just an advanced computer. I trade for my phone all the time.
Apple's got 2.5 inches in a short again. Just messing.
Market slapped you hard.
Slapped me too. You missed it earlier, Apple. I took a 200-point friggin' loss.
Yeah, smack it back.
Unbelievable. I can't believe, Mike, we've been on the phone pretty much all day, and we've both been agreeing that this thing's going to rip, right? So I get home, turn on my screens, and I go short.
I can't tell you how many times I've done stupid things like that, too.
What the hell am I thinking?
I know, because it's like, I can get a little move right here. Let me just get this little quick.
Yeah.
And then smack. Yeah, Jesse and I both agreed all day long. We thought the market was going to rip.
I can't believe I came home. You guys should have seen me too. I was like a kid in a candy store, like turning on my monitors, like, yeah, let's go. Right? And then I go, all right, let's get this short real quick. And then boom, it rips 200 points.
And that was just like when I laid down to take a nap on Friday. I was tired from streaming at night and then the New York. Then I hear a book map going off. I grab my phone and I look at it. I'm like, oh, I run in there, bam, hit it. I was like, oh crap, yes. I close it, then it runs in my target, then I go on tilt and hurt all the accounts after that.
Oh.
I was in such a hurry to hurry up and get in there just to do that mess. I would have been better off just not even looking at the phone, just blocking it out and going to sleep.
So Sheeran asks, how do you control your emotions? That's an easy answer. I don't. I
was just going to say it.
I haven't figured it out yet. You know, every week I blow everything up. It's crazy. I gotta figure it out though, for sure.
I found it's easier to control them if you just win. As long as you're winning, you're good. It's when I'm not winning, I haven't figured it out yet.
Yeah.
I mean, I know what to do, but doing it, two different things. No, they say it gets easier, but it doesn't get easier. They're lying to you. It's easy when things are going good. When things are going bad, like this morning, not so good. You start over trading everything else. So, not fun. The good times are fun. The bad times, not so much. Yeah, trying to slow grind down a little bit. That's my advice.
Coop says it affects everyone and puts that in caps. I mean, good point, Coop. And hey, for anybody watching, if you're new to this, I've been trading futures for 4 years. Mike's been trading them, what, 15 or more?
Since
I
started trading stocks in 05. Futures was late 06.
There you go. So like Coop says, this affects everybody, and it's the hardest part of the game we choose to play. So don't let it get you down. Just figure it out.
Yeah, we do have a 9 count down here and the lower regression channel. I'm watching to see if the EMAs are going to try to firm up. Then I may take a long. But I'm trying to be patient. After 10 o'clock, I find myself chopping it up at night. Like chopping it up. And then around 11, we've been getting decent moves.
Yeah, 11:30, the volume starts coming back in. Although tonight, we don't have a problem with decent moves.
Yeah, market's been moving.
Yeah. That's true too, Chris. Learning in the Trump era, yeah, that adds some complexity. That's for sure, because
this is just 2.0.
Woo, there we go. Yeah, because
right ahead at once.
There's always something that's going to move the market when you're not expecting it, but it's not as often as when Trump.
All right, move, stop the break even.
There you go. Let's go. Get it.
Trump says they're talking about me.
Trail it up. Trail it up.
Not yet.
Put it at least $100, please.
No, not yet.
$100, please.
Not doing it.
Where's that cattle prod?
I'll move the stock back to where it was.
Somebody give me the cattle prod.
You keep messing with me like this. I'm moving the stock back to where it originally was. Give it even more room.
No.
I got my finger on the close button.
Jay Shadow, there's not enough room on the YouTube screen to show you all the charts, but there's a strategy based on
I closed it.
Large trade detectors from Ninja, stacked imbalances on a footprint chart, all kinds of stuff. Washouts.
9 count.
Hey, there's Bob calling out mental stop Jesse. Yeah. Mental case Jesse. How about that?
Hey, right here on the ES, we actually have stacked imbalances right here.
Thank you for closing that, by the way. Good trade.
And the Delta sequence actually flips on that candle too.
Yeah.
So if we can stay above that candle, could build a little bit more on that on the ES. If ES goes up, NASDAQ probably would too. I'm glad I got out of that thing. I really wanted like 300 on it, but didn't work. Watch, for we lift my stop where it was originally. Did not move it to break even or anything. I wonder if it would have. Let's see. So long as it stays above 22, I would have been still in it. Okay, I would have been break even. So good thing I got out of it. Let's see if it would have stopped me out if I didn't move it. Kind of curious. If it goes below 22, it would have stopped me out.
That would have got you, because you would have pulled it anyways, probably.
No, I'm saying if I did not pull it, like I've been doing recently.
Yeah.
Just kind of curious.
Jay Shadow, this is Ninja Trader with the IR Delta Momentum Indicator, and we're running Ninja Renko bars on it. So those are tick-based Renko bars. Let's drop some links.
I don't have them on this.
Oh,
I don't have Nightbot set up for this channel.
Yeah, shoot.
I need to do that, but I haven't set it up yet.
Anyways, you can get it all for free.
Yeah, slacker. Hey, John, I heard you want to stream the London session.
Oh, boy.
You need to show us how it's done.
Here we go.
Let's see. What time is it? Oh, it's 10:08. You're done for the night. Oh, slacker.
Nice.
It is nice when you can be done early. Hey, man, I was wore out from today. Today was a battle.
Uh-huh.
Not fun. $23,608. Let's go. I like that.
Oh, I saw that, Bob. I saw you mention that earlier. My Lord.
Hey, look right up here. 24,032 is one target too.
Yeah.
And then if you want to treat this as a double bottom, it's not truly because it did go a little bit lower, but that'd be about 24,184. And then we have that weekly. We only have 2 consecutive untested point of controls on the weekly over here, unlike the ES that has 4. So I don't know.
Oh, John, sorry, bud. Yeah, Bob, gut punch. Tell me about it. Bob, I literally rushed home from work because Mike and I have been looking at charts all day, looking at Gamma, talking about the JPM. We're like, dude, this thing's going to rip tonight. I get my ass home and I go short. What the F am I? I mean, I don't get it. I do not get it. I went short and I got my face ripped off. 200-point rip. Oh, man.
Bear trap into the bull trap. Well, they trapped the bears pretty good tonight. We'll see if they can hold the bears underwater, or if they let them back out again. We do have to be concerned. The VIX is really, really high. So as long as the VIX stays above mid-20s or higher, most rallies get sold. Thanks, Google Remote Desktop.
Yeah, I used that this morning I got one win this morning, thank goodness. After, I don't even want to tell that story. It's embarrassing. I was remoted into my computer, got myself a good win, and Mike says, close it down. I told him I did, but I took another trade. Luckily, it was a winner, and then I closed it down.
Hey, Coop, I didn't see your email. Oh, I do now. I see it now.
Yeah, I saw it, Coop, but I was rushing home to get long in the market.
Yeah, I just now saw it.
I didn't see it yet. Let me go look. Oh, is that a volatility estimate index? Is that what it is? Huh. I'm gonna have to look at that in closer later.
The move.
Yeah.
Here's some more Trump news to come out. Get this market moving. Need Trump to come back out, and we're gonna be pulling troops tomorrow.
Hey, Sharon, which prop firm are you talking about? Which one's $97 right now, Mike?
I think MFF.
Yeah, that's month to month. You got to keep paying. So if you want to just pay a one-time fee, then you got to go with Lucid.
Somebody's having problems. Let's see.
If you need to help somebody, I can hold down the fort.
Well, it's just a comment. I gotta remember how to do this. Bring this over. Tools.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, Bob, is probably because he's already got the funded. You know, if you already got 5 accounts, you can't have more than that, right? So you can't activate, otherwise you break a rule.
They won't let you.
Yeah. So they just got to sit on the. But that's a good question. How long can you let them sit there at TPT? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that.
As long as you want to keep paying. I think you still got to pay the monthly fee.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, same thing I had to do with Apex when I had those.
Robert, the news was Trump tweeted something. No, Trump told his.
I'll call you Bob.
What is it? Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I was going to call Bob, but I'll put that news up real quick. And I'll call Bob.
Mike, Jesse, can you call me real quick? I lost my phone.
Here's the news.
Yeah, sorry, Robert. I got sidetracked there. Yeah, so there you go. It's on the screen. Trump, more Trump stuff.
All right, Bob, it should be ringing.
Hey Riz, if that's true, thanks. That's good information. Apparently on TPT, if you pass, they stay indefinitely, and you don't pay monthly
Oh,
fees
you
after
don't.
you pass.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's pretty cool. All right, good.
All right. All right, Bob got his phone. That's good to know. I didn't know TPT didn't make you pay any more fees. That makes me want to stack some on the sidelines.
Now if I can just pass.
Oh, you can pass. Crap, financial
I'm
just went shooting over that screen real quick right when that spike started happening. It scared the crap
Oh,
out
there
of
we
me.
go. Ooh, I'm green on this trade. Ooh, I'm getting ready to close it. I don't want to tempt fate here. Man, I held some heat on that one.
You gotta stop holding the heat. You gotta just take your stop loss.
Yeah.
And you're telling me take $100. Take $100.
I would have taken $100 if it didn't immediately go against me.
Yeah, you gotta start taking your stop loss. We need to get those electric collars that work remotely from Florida to California. Just be like, okay, I'm gonna fuck. Hey, matey, what's up? I spiked it up just to come back down. Oil's only down 95 now. It's back almost at 102. It wasn't at 100s.
Crude oil's trying to kind of slowly grind up. It looks like I'm watching it on a 5-minute chart.
Yeah, but hey, I do not mind TPT moving to live. That's not a big deal. Like, I trade a live account every day. The intraday drawdown is a little bit more difficult, but anybody that's traded with Apex or any of the other firms that have intraday drawdown, it can be beat. You just got to take it. For me, you got to take it slow, or you got to go really aggressive with a trade and try to get a momentum push. I find that going slow works best.
But yeah, Riz, I happen to agree with you. They're the GOAT.
They do have the best payout policy for sure. For sure. I don't know. We're just like chopping up here. We're stuck in this range now for roughly an hour. It's upper range. Loose is easier to get payouts for.
I don't know about that. Brad, I got a story for you. I've got paid out from Apex, Tick, TPT, and even MFF a long time ago, but I cannot get a payout from Lucid for the life of me. Oh.
I've had mine at payout, but I just haven't taken it yet.
I don't know why I can't, man.
Then I've almost blown up the accounts. Oh, man. I can't believe it.
Riz says now if they could just throw me an account for free marketing.
Hey Riz, what accounts do you trade with those? What size? Hey, tomorrow on the main channel, we're gonna be doing a duck race. So we're gonna be giving away a Take Profit Trader account tomorrow on live stream during the New York session. Oh, you like the 20 or 75K accounts? That's an odd one. Not very many prop firms have that account size. TPT is one of the few that do. Full moon in 2 days. Uh-oh. April Fools. The bottom's in.
Hey, let's give Compton a link to the main channel where you stream every single morning. For anybody new here, make sure you're subscribed to Mike's main channel. This is just where we mess around every once in a while.
Hey, good thing they weren't watching it today. Oh boy, oh boy.
Everyone likes a shit show. You're the one that tells me that all the time.
Yeah, but yeah, it sucks when you're in it.
I know it sucks when you're in it. I'm just glad I don't stream.
All right, there's a link for the main channel.
Yeah, make sure you're subscribed over there.
What is up with those funny symbols?
What symbol?
I don't know. It has some like symbol after I posted. Same thing that Riz's has.
I don't see it on my end.
You don't see that right before the link, like some kind of, oh, it just went away.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's there again. But if I click on it, it's gone. That's weird. Wow, that's
Weird.
That's weird. I'm gonna take a screenshot and show you, just to see if you do see it. All right, I'm gonna text you.
I think you should refresh your. Oh, you can't because you're in the stream. Oh yeah, you can refresh your screen. Might just be something on your.
No, look. Hey, look at it. Look next to in the screenshot I sent you, next to my name and next to Riz's name.
Yeah, weird.
You see it?
Yeah.
You don't see it on your end?
Nope.
I wonder what that means.
No idea. I think it's just a bug in your browser. Oh shoot! I'm 20 minutes late for my take my medicine. Hold on, I'll be right back.
All right. So we got another 9 count up here. Now look, we're just kind of consolidating, but we are making lower highs. Lower high, potentially lower high right here. Making lower lows too for the time being. But I still have those upper targets in my head. I'm still favoring the upside. We do have liquidity at 370. So maybe shoot a target up to 370. I think I wouldn't mind it actually. Oh wow, that's horrible. See if we can take this towards 370. Towards that liquidity right up in there. I'm going to front run that liquidity area. You just put at in their name. It should tag them. Riz.
Hey Riz, it doesn't work from the phone app for whatever reason. So if you're on a computer, you just type the at symbol and start typing their name, and then it pops up. It's real easy. But on the phone app, at least on iPhone's app, it doesn't let you do that. I don't know why.
I wonder why. Oh yeah, gold's coming down here a little bit. Gold was rallying when our markets were going up. I don't like that. Let's see gold keep going up. Since it was going up with our rip up. Let's see if we go up towards that liquidity up here. Can we go get it? Can we get it? Thank you very much. I'm out of that.
Yep, I'm out. I closed mine too. Woohoo!
I didn't know you were in it.
If I could only trade this good on a real account.
If I knew you were in it, I probably wouldn't have taken it.
You knew I was in it. I said I was in that long.
Hey, so now I have that symbol next to Yaga now.
Yeah, I think you got to refresh your browser. It'll go away.
I don't know if the stream will cut out. All right, we're going to attempt a refresh. Oh, boy. Hopefully the stream doesn't cut out. If it does, just hold on a second. We'll try to get it back. Yeah, it's still there. Still there. Interesting. Hopefully people can still hear me. Can you hear me, Jesse?
Yeah, I've seen that. It's like a programming language thing. I've seen it before. Like it's like a hotkey that turns that on and off. Like in Microsoft Word, it does that sometimes to me. But I can't remember. I've never seen it in a browser, but I've seen it like in Excel and Word.
Oh, hey, we got a little balance right here. Can we push up through it? It's on the ES. ES goes up, NASDAQ should go too.
Yeah, they're both trying to. Well, ES is closer to its high than NASDAQ is. Let's see. ES trying to go take out the high, huh?
Maybe. A good thing I took my profit when I did. We didn't hit 71 yet. Hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. Man, good thing I took it.
Yeah, see you, Chris.
And that's why I like the front run levels.
Yeah.
So even though I was looking at this liquidity at 370, we ran up. I said, "Yank, thank you very much. I should have a nice little cushion tomorrow, as long as I don't do anything stupid between now and when we get off stream. We'll see if I can just eat through that cushion tomorrow morning, like I did today. Hopefully not. I might try for that 370 again. Usually we don't get the liquidity on the first shot. See if we get.
Oh,
another.
hey, did you answer the 1% association? Which terminal is this? This is Ninja Trader with Renko bars.
Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't see that question.
Yeah. So
When I refresh
Trader,
it. Oh, go ahead.
No, I was just repeating.
So when I refresh, it came right back up to welcome to the live chat. And it kind of threw off the chat for me.
Oh, gotcha.
The account I'm trading with right now is my own personal account.
That doesn't answer the question. What size is it?
Six figures.
I trade Compton. I trade 150K accounts when I'm trading prop firms.
I've had a 150K account with TPT for a long time. Jesse's talking me into switching all my accounts to 150K accounts. I don't know if that's gonna be nice or not, but we'll see.
I'm trying to get him to that milli payout.
Yes, I don't know. A little bit of rough patch going on right now. I'm on the verge of blowing up all these accounts.
Oh.
I mean, going into today, I only had $300 drawdown. Now I'm up to like 550-ish. And then we'll see what happens for tomorrow. If things go well, maybe I'm up to $1,000 of drawdown after tomorrow. But she'll be halfway back on the 50K accounts.
Yeah.
I trade props too. I have 37. Oh no, I don't know more. I have 32 funded accounts with the props. And five evals. Well, 5 traded 5 evals. And then another 5 lucid accounts I just bought tonight in preparation of me blowing up these accounts. I switched them all over to 100. Well, I'm trying to switch them to the 150K account, which I don't know that's going to be the best solution for me, but we'll see. It's worked out very well in the take profit traders, but I don't know if that's going to be the case.
It's all about the patience, and you've got much more than me, right? Because it's going to take you longer, but the payouts are bigger. That's what you got to keep in the back of your mind. It's worth it.
Yeah, but when I have mornings like I had today, that'd be bad. Yeah, 150K, we get a lot more drawdown. I do like the more drawdown scenario, but...
And bigger payouts, too.
Yeah. Hey, Trades by GB, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Okay, so it looks like now we've got our slowdown and for about another hour till 11:30.
I'm probably going to a little bit. If I get all 150K accounts, I do plan on sizing up a little bit, but not crazy. So when I trade the evals, I trade minis. Once I get them funded, I usually trade micros. And I probably will switch up my strategy a little bit. I might even trade minis with it. I've been talking about maybe just trading minis in those accounts, looking for 1 to 3 trades per day. Is what I'm kind of thinking. Because with the micros, I'm looking for larger moves. But I kind of would like the idea of being in and out, you know, just 1 to 3 times a day and calling it a day. But we'll see. We'll see once I get all the 150K accounts.
Yeah, Riz, you're right. Good advice.
What's that? Oh.
On the emotion stuff, just make it mechanical. Like losses are part of it.
The way I take care of losses, I just think about it as a business expense.
Yeah.
That's it.
You know, who was it? Was it Wyckoff that taught that was it Wyckoff or the other? Oh, shoot. I can't remember. I don't want to misquote, but one of them old guys taught that it's, like Mike just said, it's.
Oh, I think you're talking about Jesse Livermore.
Yeah. Is it Livermore?
I think so.
It's insurance on your money, right? Oh, here we go. Pull back to the mean.
Wouldn't
Let's
the
see if
drawdown
it's-
be all relative? Well, no, drawdown just gives you more wiggle room. So once you get close to the end, right? So let's say, for instance, you lose $1,000 in a 50K account where you have $2,000 for drawdown. Well, now you're like, oh man, I lost half my drawdown. Where if you have $4,500 of drawdown in a 150K account, you lost $1,000. Yeah, that sucks, but you still have $3,500 of drawdown. So you don't feel like you're getting, close to that, starting to do stupid stuff and just saying F it. Take these accounts in. I don't want them. Just take them. I don't know. It's a theory. We'll see. I don't know. And if I want to trade minis, I definitely want to do that in 150K accounts, not 50Ks.
Yeah, Chris, you're right. If you size up to the account size, then you're right. It's all relative. Because in Mike's example, if you lose $1,000 in your old way of trading, and you do that same exact trading sized up, you're going to be losing 2,000 or 3,000 in that same, right? So it is relative, but that's why I said it's all about the patience. You switch to 150K accounts and you still trade the same as if they were 50Ks, and then they should last you longer, take longer, but you get bigger payouts, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah, I've had my TPT accounts, I think, since September. I think it is. Man, I was hoping for a little bit more of a squeeze up. We didn't really get the follow through I was hoping for.
Yeah, that was a fast spurt up, though. I called that. I said, hey, there's that pullback. Wonder if we get a spurt up.
Yeah, I got it at the top.
Yeah, it's just ranging right here, too. I guess I can switch my...
Hey, Total Dork, what's up?
Yeah, I got my... Oh, I don't have my screen shared. If you want to put my screen up ever, I can... Here, let me share it.
Yeah, I can do that.
Should I share the sounds with you like I did last time, or is that annoying?
Me?
Yeah.
No, that's fine. I don't mind.
Remember how you could hear all my market pulses and all
Yeah, I
that?
can hear the sonar going off.
Yeah.
I'm just out. I had a loss. I think that was my first loss tonight. I bought at the top of the range, so I deserve that one.
All right. Hopefully it looks good.
Yeah, I'm going to throw your chart up. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, there's Jesse's charts. Let's see.
So these pink lines, for anybody watching, this is the highest high excluding wicks on the 5-minute over the last half an hour. This is the lowest low excluding wicks. So it's candle bodies only in the last half hour. And the middle pink line moves around quite a bit. That's the median price over the last half an hour of 5-minute candles. And you guys can see how we're just kind of pinned here.
Yeah, I'm looking over at the 5-minute chart. I'm almost wondering if we're going to come back to the structural breakout point. And then have the VWAP slowly come up. I don't know. Trying to debate that. I have some internal debating going on.
And then if I guess I got to zoom this chart out. If I zoom it out, you can see my ATR bands. They're kind of waste. We had the ATRs all messed up because of those big ripping candles. But here's the upper band, and then down below us, here's the lower band. So they're starting to shrink back down to a decent size.
Shrinkage.
As time goes on. They were really expanded like abnormally because of those big ripping moves, but eventually here over the next hour, they'll be back to normal. But let me zoom that back out so it's easier to look at. So yeah, I mean, if you're just a quick scalper, it's like, why not just play this range here while we're stuck here?
I did. I bought the high. It didn't work.
Yeah, you're supposed to sell the high.
Oh, dang it. Now you tell me. Total Dork says power just came back on. Oh, that stinks. I mean, it's good that it just came back on, but it sucks losing power.
What's up, Dork? Good to see you. Well, don't pay any attention to that P&L on my screen, guys. That's just the sim account. I'm just screwing off.
I can't see it anyways. Your screen's too small. I say I can only see it like in the little window of OBS or through video, and I can barely see it on video. Video is like horrible for me to see it.
In fact, you know what? I should probably put my money where my mouth is, and let's scalp this bad boy. Let's go. Let's tighten that stop up. Let's see if this works. It usually plays out every single time until I get in the trade, and then it flushes. What's up, Wolf? So it's already lower than it should have went. Look at that. Let's see. We should get a spurt back up there to the top. Should is the key word.
Think we're going back up?
Yeah, it already is. I'm green on this trade, about $100. Oh, not anymore.
So what you're saying, it's guaranteed.
Yeah, we got to figure out how you can see my screen on your side.
I can see it on OBS a little bit.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Ooh, chimichangas. Yum. All right, there's a little spurt. 130.
How many contracts you got?
Just one. So the automatic trailing stop will kick in. There it goes. It just kicked in. There it goes. It's going to follow it up, and then it's going to get you might not get to see it. It gets tighter and tighter as it goes. Yeah, there we go. Got stopped out, but that was, I don't know, $130 or something.
Nice.
Oh, and then it drops a little bit. I'm glad I have that trailer.
I'll see if we get another rip at 11 o'clock like we've been having at night. One thing that scares me for another rip up is that VWAP's pretty far below us.
Yeah, you might get a flush. I don't know.
Maybe. Let's go see what Nikkei and stuff's doing. Oh, Nikkei's down. Wow. Nikkei gapped up, then it's down 179. Oh, wait, never mind. That was an NDX. My chart wasn't scrolled right. Yeah, Nikkei is down. It's down 65. HSI is down 3. So HSI came down, filled the gap. Interesting. Yeah, stop worked perfectly.
Yeah, thanks, Wolf. Thanks, Dork. Yeah, I put that on the 30-tick trail just because I saw this. So right here, so it does tell me to be using my 100-tick ATM, but 120-tick. But I happen to notice that the ATR has gotten really tight here, right? So it's like that's based on the last half an hour. And we're not moving 120 ticks right now. So I just went with a smaller trailing stop, and there you go. I'm about to go in long again here. Let's see if it dips down a little bit.
Yeah, AT I like that.
Maybe I'll just stage an order right here. Let's see. Oh, it went without me. Never mind. Yeah, let me cancel that.
Yes, my balances come in on the ES.
What I'll do is if we get a spurt up here back to the top of the range, I'll sell that bad boy. There we go. Come on.
Let's get it.
Assuming this range holds. Okay, it's in. Let's see if it... I don't like all the friggin' sounds I'm hearing, though.
I got back... well, I lost on that last trade.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
You said it was guaranteed.
There we go. Look at my trailer kick in. Woo! 130, 40 bucks, something like that.
And what made you take that one? That short?
I just staged an order at the top of this range. Took a short.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I was looking at it. It's like, I don't see your clouds or whatever.
Long from the bottom, short from the top of the regression channel.
Just keep doing that until it doesn't work.
Yep.
Oil right now it's been on its way back up. It's at 102. It's down 82 cents.
That took me out too soon. Maybe I should up it to the 60 ticker. All right, here we go. Let me get long down here. So I'm going to stage an order right here.
Do a flush.
Yeah, probably. Okay, let's see. There we go. It's in. Ooh, that's way too big of a stop. Let me tighten that up. All right.
What about target? You bring target down to the top of the range, or leave it?
Yeah. It'll automatically trail anyways, but yeah. So this is a 60 tick trail right here. So automatic trailers.
So once it goes 60 ticks, then it starts trailing?
Now 80% of it. So I got my ATM set up to where if I set it to a 60 tick ATM, it'll start trailing 80% of the way.
All right.
So we'll see. It should. Maybe I should have. I'm getting nervous.
Let's see. Let's
come
see.
on, push. It's like halfway there. Come on, go. Get back up there. Oh, I saw 115 on there. Didn't take it. Oh, 135, 170. Come on, go. Jeez, when's this thing going to kick in? I'm sweating. What's oil doing? Oil kind of dropping-ish a little bit. It's got a doji candle kind of right now. Or what would you call that? I don't know. Oil ain't doing much. Oh, I got too greedy. It's trying to come back. Oh boy.
Yeah, but it didn't hit your trailer, so you didn't get greedy. It just might be a trade that doesn't work.
Yeah. Well, I switched my ATM to a bigger ATM.
Oh.
Should have kept it. I should have kept it on the 30 tick.
Hey, so would the 30 tick one have already started the trail?
Oh yeah, that would have taken me out already.
For
For another 150 or 100 whatever.
So did your indicator say to use the...
No, the indicator says 120 ticks right now, but that's based on the last half an hour. So we've tightened up since then. But I jumped from 30 tick trail to a 60 tick. I skipped right over my 40, which was my fault. Oh, it's going to tag me. Oh, bummer.
Hey, so I wonder if we're going to get on these VWAPs.
So now I can switch to my big trail here. And if we... All right, I'm going to try again here. Let's see. Now we got to the ATR band. See if I can get that loss back.
I don't want to swing at that yet. Then off, I want to swing for a trade down the VWAP around 1040.
Yeah.
Getting close to that 11.
Yeah, I might be wrong on this one. I saw that HVL level there and I said, but that's an old level. We're not updated yet for another 20 minutes.
VWAP on the NASDAQ's at 23,185. Do I want to swing at it?
Oh, I just noticed I haven't refreshed that chart since all right, so it's up 130. What did I lose on that trade? I wasn't even paying attention.
I don't know. I can't see.
Shoot. Gotta get the loss back, Mike.
Oh boy, gotta get it back. I lose more money from that than anything else.
All right, let me move this target down to here, a more reasonable target. I bet you it stops right here at the middle, this middle pink line. That's up right here.
So do you take profit there or move a stop or
yeah,
what?
I'm probably going to actually just put my... I think if we shoot up through that a little bit and then come back down, I'll close it. I got my finger on the close button here. Okay, let's see.
Finger on the close.
Oh. Don't you drop out. Remember, that's the median price on the 5 minute. So
why don't you just move your stop to break even?
We're getting a little, I don't do that. Market doesn't give a shit about our...
You don't do that, but you were telling me earlier, move your stop. Move your stop.
I wanted you $100 in the money, not break even. All right, there we go. I took it.
I'm really debating on shorting this.
I mean, we just broke out the bottom of the 5 minute ATR range. So
I got a problem though. We have those volume profile targets still in my head above us. I think we're going to.
I'm gonna refresh this chart so you guys have the updated ATR bands.
Hey, see. What's up? What's up?
They're still not showing up. What the hell? Those ATR bands look different than mine on this other screen.
Well, here, I'll switch back and you can play around with it.
Yeah, switch back so I can look at the settings.
So look, here's what I'm wrestling with right now. We go over and we look at the ES or the NASDAQ. 5 minute chart, we're way far away from VWAP. Do we get a return back to it? Do I maybe put a micro on or a trade down the VWAP? Maybe front run that around 200. We're at 346. I don't know.
Whoa, we pushed all the way. I should have held that. Damn it. Look at that. Okay, switch back to mine and just look at that, how that played out. Ah, I love that regression channel. Dang, dude. That's all right.
Get the bounce to 410.
A win's a win.
Yeah, you can't cry over spilt milk.
All right. Does that look decent? I just stretched it out a little bit.
410 to 500. That's what I'm a little bit worried about. We're gonna keep on ripping. Normally, I want to take a trade down to the VWAP. About this a little bit later, another 15 minutes or so. Normally, I'd put that trade on, but I don't know.
All right, I'm short. I'm gonna front run this ATR band down here. Actually, this HVL level, just in case, and then tighten up the stop to like here. Let's see what happens. I'm a little. I was a little early. Oh,
I was looking at that. I was like,
I think the range might be done with, guys.
You'll know once it doesn't work.
Yeah, we played this a few times, got some money out of it, and it might be over.
Apple's holding 2 micros till 243.
Ooh, 243. Okay, that's way down there. Whew.
Well, VWAP is all the way down there at 187. So that's not far fetched.
Yeah, Mr. Montez. Yeah, I agree with you. Like this was probably a stop run. In fact, let me look at Bookmap actually. No, that was not a stop run. There was no stop. Well, wait a minute.
Carly says pump.
No, it wasn't. There was no stop. It wasn't a stop. It wasn't a sweep, but you're right. We dipped below that range, and that's usually the sign that we're going to rip the other directions. Let's see what happens. We dip down here like that real fast. Whoop, whoop. Now it might want to go long.
Hey, so if you look at Jesse's, well, I'm going to put mine on real quick. Look, that 1 minute we're going sideways too, just bouncing that regression channel. We'll keep bouncing until it goes back. I'll put your chart back up, Jesse. So I got that same regression going sideways on the 1 minute. We'll see if it busts out and start flipping it going up, or we're gonna come back down. Like I still have very good confidence in those volume profile levels. The upside.
Yeah. Look at, they're trying to push it now.
Yeah.
Whoever just. Yeah, Mr. Montez, you called that. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to that, but you're right.
Gold had a nice little rip tonight. Let me see.
Where's my target at? I gotta get more realistic with this. Let's target the bottom of the range here. Let's tighten up the stop just in case it rips.
Hey, I'll go over gold as soon as Jesse's out of this trade.
Oh, you could switch. I think we all know how this one's gonna end.
Viewer numbers are catching up to the regular channel.
270 right now.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad, but the regular channel's in 400 or something.
Yeah, people usually come on. I found that people come on a lot later on this channel. It's kind of weird. I used to always get off at 10 o'clock when I used to stream at night in the past. I think it was 8:45. Bob said 8:45. I get off around 10.
Yeah, the later you go, it's a different market, different crowd. We get more kind of international folks. It's kind of cool hanging out with all you guys.
T-Cube says, this is a congestion zone.
From this morning. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, look left on my volume profile chart. And you guys, it's cut off on your screen. Let me zoom that in. Coop's talking about right here. Can you see it now? I think so. Yeah, good call out on that one there, Coop. It's also the point of control for my composite volume profile over here. We're right on it for the last 5 days. Interesting. Interesting. All right, well, if this thing lets me get out here at break even, I'm going to close it because I think we're going up.
As soon as you get out, it's gonna dip.
I know. Oh no, it might not give me a choice.
Hey, Bob, I think you kept me on the phone a couple nights till like 3 a.m. I think you're in Arizona or something.
They're trying to push.
She's a ripper.
Yeah, I'm glad I tightened up that stop a little bit. All right, well, I just gave that last trade back. At least I took my stop, right, Mike?
That's it.
Because look at that, kept going.
Taking stops. Let's go.
Hey, Mr. Montez, good call out, man. You were right on that.
Let's flip back over. Oops. I'm going to flip back over real quick.
Yeah, when they spurted out the bottom of that range, I should have known right then.
I flipped over. So here's that regression channel. We're starting to blast up. Do I dare? He has taken out the session highs.
Jeez, look at it.
Hey, and Q's almost at session highs too, right here.
Yeah, it's going to take it.
Short term, we're oversold. Do I dare? Do I dare take a short? Do I dare take a short up here? If we poke the high, I might do it.
If you're just looking for $100 scalp, okay, but
I might do it.
Don't be holding it hoping for $300-400.
Yeah, they're calling 410. What is the session high? Session high is 397. We'll spurt up to 410. I'd be happy with. As long as we don't pull back real big first. We can just keep kind of squeezing up, then hit the high. I think I might take a swing at it. Wow. Wowzers.
Ooh, there it is. They're going to get that 410. Here it comes. I love it.
Do I dare short this?
I wish I was long on this, darn it. Not yet, Mike. Not yet. Because remember, look, the upper band is way up here at 425. I wouldn't be looking for a short until we get up in there. Just my opinion.
I could have got it. You son of a...
You
talked me out of it. You talked me out of it.
There's your $200 pullback.
I was only going to go for probably 100, 150 on it. I said I wanted to see us pop just a little bit above the high and then short it.
Yeah.
I would have took a little bit of heat on this little move up here, but if I would have shorted it, let's just see what that would have been. 399, it went all the way to, I've only been down about 4 points.
4 points?
Yeah, roughly. What's oil doing? Yeah, oil's down 99 cents at the moment. We got a ripper.
Yeah, you could have got a nice scalp out of that, but here we go right back up. Jeez Louise.
If you're scared, say you're scared. I'm not scared. Yeah, if you're on the stream this morning, you would have seen all the trades I placed. I'm not scared to take a trade. I'll take my fair share of losing trades. Woo! Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh, they didn't freaking reset. Son of a biscuit. Hey, so look at this, Jesse.
What happened?
Looky. These accounts you talked me into getting into. Hey, the Tradeify accounts.
Yeah.
Total P&L. I made another 3,000 tonight. 3,600.
Oh, dude, one
73.
more day. You've got those efforts licked. One more day, dude.
It's 40% consistency, so the minimum I can do is 3 days.
Yeah.
Woo!
So that's your second day right there. So you got 6K in.
Oh, I gotta turn that bad boy off.
Yeah, turn it off.
I rode that sucker too. I held that bad boy for a long time. Nice. Real nice.
Good job.
Now if I can just get the funded ones not to blow up, I'll be happy.
Yeah.
Sharon
says it's gonna drop here.
Could it drop?
I don't know. I think it wants friggin' the high from yesterday, from regular trading hours last night. Or what was that, after hours last night?
Yeah.
8 a.m. ish. No, when was that?
That's in London.
7:30 this morning.
Like pre-market kind of.
I think we're going all the way up there. In fact, we just pulled back to the middle of my channels. I'm eyeballing along.
We have a 9 count up here.
Eyeballing along. Oh, I'm long. Oh, I'm late. I'm late.
Hold on, we gotta go see Jesse's train wreck. I'm gonna put you back on.
I'm
Oh,
late.
hey. Oh, you're scaled off my screen. I can't see you. Hey, your trade scaled off the screen.
Oh, let me hit the F. That's stupid. All right, there we go. I was a little bit late to that turnaround on those Renko bars.
So you're looking.
Oh no,
So
they're
you're
gonna get
long.
me.
You're long.
They're gonna get me. Yeah, I should have listened to Sheeran. Oh, they're gonna get me.
I don't know. We had that 9 count over there in the 1 minute too.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna move my stop. That's a tight stop, but I'm not moving it.
What do you consider a tight stop? How many ticks?
300 points. Not points. 300 bucks.
Like 300 points is a small stop.
No, yeah. Look, they tag me and then they're gonna push. Silly, stupid.
So where's your cloud at?
It's down here.
And you went long. So why'd you go long up there?
That was the middle. I went long from the center of the regression channel, which usually gives. In fact, my mouse isn't over there. I went long from here, the bounce from the center of the regression. So if we were going to go long again, it would have happened from there, right? But it wants to drop out. So now my next entry wouldn't be till down in here.
Gotcha.
We'll see. He's probably going to rip without me now.
All right, I'm gonna put my screens back on. Let me know if you see something.
Yeah.
I want to go see gold and crude oil real quick too.
That'd be nuts, right, Jolanta? If I had a 300-point stop.
Yeah, you're like, I got a small, just 300-point stop. Let's see, gold. Gold's almost back to the VWAP already. Yes, and NASDAQ are so far. Man, I'm really tempted. I'm slinging a micro out there overnight with those. Really, really tempted.
This thing's going to go up there without me, isn't it?
Probably could. So, hey, on the 1 minute, right here at the center regression channel. On the 1 minute.
Yeah.
I don't know that I want to take that yet, though. You got to ask yourself, is this going to be a look above failure? We have this little zone up here.
Yeah,
possibly. You looked above failure and come down deeper.
I'm going to try it again, but I'm going to keep my full stop this time.
All right, hold on, I'm going to put you back on.
I'm trying it again, and I got to go pee so bad, so I'll be right back. You guys babysit my trade for me, okay? Where's this stop need to go? I'm just going to leave it right here.
Hey, so the footprint real quick. We have buying balances right here. If we break that, it's bearish. And we have selling balances right here. We're staying below. And we had trap buyers right up here as well.
So if we can get up above that, then my trade's going to work out. Let's see.
Yeah, we got to get above. That's the ES though.
I mean, somebody mentioned 358. I agree with that. If we hold the middle of this is the median price of the 5 minute, right? And so, if they break here, I'm in trouble. I mean, I agree with that 358-ish price area. Whoever was saying that.
I have 342 as my lower regression on the 1 minute.
Let's see. 342.
I don't know, man. I think I want to put a micro on.
Short?
Yeah. Sling this bad boy all night while I'm sleeping. Actually, I'm going to do 2 of them.
I don't know. Last night they friggin' grind up all night long.
That's all right. I'm going to front run it though. So VWAP right now is at 193. I'm going to front run it around 260s. If that trade hits, that'd be $400 while I sleep. Hopefully. That'd be a great wake up to that in the morning. That'd be great. That'd be fantastic.
Oh, 358 broke. Who was talking about 358? Who was that? Oh, that was Mr. Montez. And I happen to agree with you, but it just broke, darn it. Yep, not good, not good, not good. It's going down to that lower cloud. Okay, let me go pee. I'll be right back, Mike.
All right, I'm gonna lift this off real quick. Let's see. I want to see if you get stopped first.
Yeah, well, it's getting stopped for sure. Yep,
All
there it is. Damn it.
All right, so-
I'll be right. I'll be back.
All right. So here's a micro trade I put on. I like this area for two reasons. One, look right here. We have a structure breakout point right there. We failed to come back and hit it yet. So I like that. But also, if we come over and we look real quick, let's go over and look. I'm going to leave this thing sling all night long while I'm sleeping. If we look at the VWAP, we're way far stretched away from the VWAP. VWAP should migrate up a little bit and we should come down towards it and meet sometime overnight. So we'll see if it hits it. I'm going to sling that thing all night long. I'm going to let it eat while I'm sleeping tonight. But if I have to wake up in the morning and DCA out of it, that's fine. I'll do it. But we've already had today a 443 point range. Hopefully I don't wake up and see us up another 400 points. That would suck. But I have a big cushion to play with, so I can be a little bit more aggressive with these trades. So that's the good part about it. Actually, I don't pay those Tradeify accounts no more. So let's see if we get this bad boy to roll over here a little bit. Yeah, the run up was on light volume. And again, I'm not going to babysit this. I really want to go a little bit lower on this, but because this will actually be just shy of $400 if it hits. Probably about 375 ish. So we'll see. I got a lot of cushion to play with. So even if I do wake up tomorrow and I'm red on the trade, I could close it out and still be green unless we get some stupid candle coming out saying the war is over, U.S. troops coming home. No, hey, I have White Boy. The footprint chart that I use is not part of Ninja. So that footprint chart right here is not part of Ninja. Ninja Trader does have a footprint chart, but it's not nearly as good. It won't plot the imbalances all the way out to the right. It won't highlight, well, it'll highlight the imbalances kind of, but not as easy to see. And the numbers are just a lot harder to read. If you want to check out the one that I currently use, actually get a discount on it. If you go right here, go to Prop for a Mic, go to Tools, then click right there. Click on Buy Now, type in code Mike, and you can save more than what you see posted on their website. So, troops are gone. So keep in mind, I may wake up tomorrow. I might be underwater in that micro trade. Maybe. Hopefully not. 245 to 388. I like it. 245 to 388. Now notice we did have a 9 count right up here, coming right down into another 9 count. So very interesting. We'll see if we bounce up again. And again, I am a little bit playing with fire, because if the ES is going to run up to these upper targets, higher low, double bottom pattern in the point of control, that could be problematic for my short trade that I have on with it, M&Q. That could be a little bit of a headwind for me. I'm kind of curious though. So look, on the NASDAQ, we have another zone up here. We talked about this pre-market on the stream this morning. We'll see if we make it up there tomorrow. So 664 up here to about 764 is going to be a logical target. Once we clear this area, I'm hoping tonight we get a little flush down, then hit my targets, then run up.
I'm trying one more time. One more time.
All right, Jesse says he's giving it one more shot. Let's go see.
Took a couple paper cuts on the way down because I was friggin' early.
All right, let's see.
Now I'm kind of late. I wish I would have got it right off the bounce of this pink line right here.
Hey, just rewind. Rewind.
Yeah. I know, right?
I wish they'd let us do that.
If only that were possible.
We're going to rip again. We may. The micros, though, I have a smaller position. A little bit. I started off a little bit heavier than normal, but it's still light. I won't worry about a stop until I get over 6 contracts on this trade. Which I'm not going to do tonight. I want to keep it small tonight on the contracts. I'm going to leave it at 2 tonight. I won't DCA into it till tomorrow morning if needed. Now, I'd like to see the ES go ahead and take out today's high. That'd be pretty awesome. Just scream right up, take out today's high. Keep on going. Oh, we're trying to rip right now. You should be good.
Yeah, the problem is the ATM that I used is going to take me out of this trade too soon. Darn it. I almost kind of want to cancel it and put in like a static one. Because I want to try to hold all the way up here to the upper band, right up here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that. Let me close those and quickly put on a regular one. There we go. Let's put that there. Okay, let's front run that. And where was my stop?
I don't know.
Just put it down here somewhere. There we go. All right, let's see. Now it's not going to trail because I'm going to try to hold it all the way up there, guys. If it was going to trail, it would have kicked in right now, but I switched the ATM.
It's going up right now.
Yeah, it's going. This is right where it
She's
starts
a ripper.
trailing. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Dude, I got my bag of Lay's. I bet you can't just eat one.
You're making me hungry.
Somebody asked me something. Oh, Lone Wolf. It looks at the last 6 5-minute candles, looks at the ATR of the last 6 5-minute candles, and then breaks it down to a tick value, and then breaks it down to the trading dollar value of those ticks. Does that make sense? It tells me that's not the exact ticks of the ATR. That tells me which ATM to use right here. And 160 is my largest ATM that I have. But clearly we're well past that on this trade.
He's trying to run it.
Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go.
It's not good for my micro trade at the moment, but I'm all right.
Woo, get it, mother. Ooh, I almost said it. I almost said it, Mike.
You might get it.
ATR is useful, but yeah, that is the 5-minute ATR.
Whole lot of ticking. Whole lot of ticking.
Yeah, Mike Pryor, that is the 5-minute ATR. Over the last half an hour. So instead of a typical ATR is like a 14 period, mine is set to 6 because I only want to see the last half an hour of 5-minute bars. Does that make sense?
Yeah, they said oil's going down, and yeah, it is. Oil's down $1.26. Hey, NASDAQ's about to take out the highs.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably smack it.
I like where my target's at too, just right above that high.
We take out the high. We take out the high. I'm gonna probably short it.
All right.
Think.
Give me mine. You get yours.
Oh, you're right above it. You're right above the high. As long as we don't pull back too much first. I want to keep it extended. Keep it extended where it breaks the high and then maybe smack it. Maybe. I don't want to see a pullback first.
Did I start doing my jumping jacks and cartwheels too soon?
Like, we got him. We got him. Let's see.
I mean, that was stupid. I was up like $800 on that.
Hey, lock in $100. Lock in $100. That's what you're telling me. After you're not doing it. You can give the advice, but you can't take it.
I'm doing it.
Let's see it.
I'm locking in right there.
All right.
I'm locked in.
Yeah, I was hoping we were going to break the high. I don't like the pullback now for the short. No, it's a Renko chart.
You guys see where rejected right out of that ATR band, right? You see that? The 5-minute ATR bands? Jeez Louise, that's so accurate. I should have closed it. I think I was up $800 on that trade. Oh, I should have closed it.
I think for me, it's a lot easier to hold on to a losing trade than a winning trade.
I know. Why is that?
I think hope is a real thing.
Why is that?
I hope this is going to work out. I've actually been breaking that habit pretty good last year and a half or so, but it's a tough one. Wish we would have took out the high so I could have shorted it. Your target, took out the high, smack it. Where's the oil at now? Kind of curious where oil is going to be when we wake up in the morning. Not seeing a bunch of projectiles being launched over the Middle East. I don't see a whole lot. Oh crap, I was late. Hey Coop, I just saw your message. I'm behind on the emails.
Hey, Lone Wolf, no, the ATR bands are actually set to 6. Actually, sorry, let me finish eating my Lays. I'll be right back.
Opium's a hell of a drug. It is. Hope that's going to work out. Please, please let this one work out. Smack. It's like, what happened? I don't understand. What happened? Oh, man. We wake up, we'll be at 500. If the NASDAQ, I wake up, the NASDAQ's at 500. I'll just be looking to DCA into it. I'm fine with that. Into my micro trade. You guys will see that on stream in the morning if that happens. Oh, they're trying to rip it.
Let's go.
Am I going to get a short? I don't know. Do I want to short it? Do I want to short it? If we bust that high, I might. I don't want to see it consolidate right below the high, though, and then bust it. I want to see a big run, then break the high. What did I see? I haven't broken it yet. Oh, hey, good job on passing your MFF 50K account. Nice. Good deal. I'm hoping to get my Tradeify funded accounts back here tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Wednesday. Fingers crossed. I'll still have to make another $1,800 ish. I've already hit the max consistency 2 days in a row. Only trading one contract. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Or not? I don't like how we're just consolidating here. I do not like it. I want to know if Jesse's trade is going to work out. I need Jesse's trade to kind of work out for me to get short. Break you off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Yeah, Jesse's making me hungry. No, I've never tried Blue Guardian futures. I've heard of them, but I've never tried them. I'm gonna go down here. So close to the high of the day. Yeah, you definitely need to get the payout, recoup some of that money. Get the payout. I do appreciate you using the code. Anybody uses the code Mike, I do appreciate it.
All right, I'm back. Sorry, I was coughing a lay. And that's crazy. I got a paper cut from a Lay's potato chip. And then the salt doesn't help.
Wouldn't that be a chip cut?
Yeah, chip cut.
Or potato cut? Hey, so they asked, do you ever take a short position immediately after taking profit on a long? You ever do that?
Me, no, absolutely not. Because the long trade, for me, I'm not a counter trader at all, right? So if I'm already in a long, it's because I'm long bias at that moment. I don't ever do that.
I don't normally do that. I won't say I'll never do it, but I normally don't do that.
I'm usually, if I'm like, for example, this trade here, even if it comes back and tags me, I'm still long bias. Like I'm still going to wait for the next long. You know, to take a short would be against my thesis at the moment. So I don't do that.
That stinks. I really want that short up there.
I bet that kind of trading works, but you got to take, I think you probably got to take pretty small targets when you're countering your original thesis.
12 tons of Kit Kats stolen.
What?
Holy crap.
Holy cow.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, it's going to stop me, guys. I know. I was up $800 on that trade too. Silly.
That's why
actually, I mean,
at least you're doing better than me. I've been up big on trades like this weekend, a little bit of last week, and let him come all the way back and stop me out.
Yeah. I mean, technically, I could pull my stop down here, and it'll probably just reject down at the bottom of this pink line again and go all the way up there again.
Don't move it. Don't move it.
I'm not going to do it, but watch. We'll watch it play out. I bet you it comes down here and then bounces again. In fact, if it comes down here, I'm going to get long again. All right, that was what, $300 or whatever? $250.
My MAQ is almost back in the money.
All right.
Hey, so I just want to show them compare and contrast real quick. So where Jesse's talking about getting long, if you come over here and you look real quick, we have the 1 minute linear regression right around this 355. Hey, Jesse, what level is yours at?
Mine is at 343-ish.
Oh, so he's down here a little bit more.
Yeah, and plus I got that pink line, which is remember that's the minimum, mathematically it's the maximum minimum of the 5 minute chart without any wicks involved. So
and I do like the minus development area on the profile too. Hey, and we did get a trade detector bubble too.
Yeah, I just got it too.
I'll flip back over to you.
Yeah.
Got a trade detector bubble down there.
Right
on the
there.
1 minute.
It's a pretty decent green sized one.
And we're oversold on my chart too.
I've seen bigger.
That's what she said. Yeah, Jesse's on sim. I'm on my account.
Yep.
I'm not thinking about swinging on this.
I would want it for me to go long again. I want to see one more leg down.
I'm in. I was a little bit late to it too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm gonna flip over so people can see my train wreck. I'm in a little bit late. I should have got in a little bit lower, but it's kind of waiting. Way too long. We got the trade detector bubble right there. Let's see if it'll pop up here a little bit.
I think it's gonna go without me.
That's all right. I'll get it for you.
Austin says, "Why did you not move your stop up?" Well, I probably should have.
No, he just didn't want to take all the money from the market. He's saving some for us. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh.
J-Dub. What's up, JW? If this goes without me, I'm going to be pissed. I want to see... Well, not for your trade. I want to see you win first.
So you want to see it go without you. Hit my target and then come back.
Come back down, give me a pullback, and let me get long again.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I might be in trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. I think I'm going to get stopped on it.
Looks like this.
Might be my second
Lupa.
loss tonight, maybe.
Ooh. Lupa says trade the market, not your target guesses.
That's hard.
So somebody had a bad day in the market today, maybe.
I did. That was evident on the morning live stream.
Maybe it's just because we guess at targets.
I don't really guess on mine.
Oh, I know.
Except for when I try to push it out a little bit too far.
Yeah, like I just did.
I should have got out. Getting that close, stopping me out, and it came back and let me out. I should have got out.
I have a problem with that too.
I'm usually pretty good about it. Last week and a half, I've not been.
Yeah, I need to get better at that. If it gives me a graceful exit, I should take it.
I moved my target closer to 200 EMA. See if we get a pop up there.
Let's get it. The 200 EMA. Wait a minute. Is that a guess or?
Yes.
According to this guy, that's a goofy target trading. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Let's see. Go up there and hit Mike's target so I can get in a trade.
Hey, maybe your sim account can push the market up.
Yeah, let me smack
Get enough
it.
people jumping in a sim account. Sim 101. The fake accounts. Maybe the big boys will see all the fake orders going in, push the market up.
Dang, 309 people watching. How many likes we got?
132. I didn't realize we had 300 people in here.
You guys should get after that like button.
Uh-oh.
It's undecided at the moment.
This is something that's going to take my lunch money. Hey, Roberts. Good night. Probably go to bed here shortly myself. I'm closing it. All right, I got out.
You got out?
Yeah, I took a loss. I didn't take a full loss, but I did take a loss. So now I got to get it back, so I can't go to bed till I get it back.
Yeah.
Oh, man. And today wore me out. Today was rough trading.
Oh, let me put I forgot. I just realized I didn't have the book map stuff over there when you're showing my chart.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see it.
There we go. I got it up there now. All right, come on, give me an entry.
I'll flip back over to your chart. You're probably going to get in before I do. Oh, yeah, good job. 148
What
likes.
I'd like it to come right down into here. This pink line-ish. And I'll smack it long.
Smack it.
Especially if I see the buyers step in up here.
My micro trade's in the money. Not by a whole lot, a couple dollars. I'm hoping that trade hits while I'm sleeping.
I was just going to say, you're going for a big move on that one, though, right?
Yeah, like 80-ish points. 80, 90 points. Depends on which contract we're looking at. I got two different targets.
All right.
We do have a 9 count down there in the 1 minute.
Riz hit the like button twice. You're supposed to do it an odd amount of times.
Even number is bad luck. That's what I've been told. It's been proven.
No, Jonathan, that's not Mike. That's my sim account. That's fake money. I wish that was real. Ooh, here's the drop. Come on, give me my entry. Give me my entry.
I'm glad I got out. You getting in?
I'd like to see like 2 more bars down. Oh, don't go without me.
We have a night count lower regression channel on the 1 minute.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
345 is the POC. Let's go look. You got a different POC than I have.
Yeah, mine's at 262-ish.
Yeah, different than I got. Mine's at 23,152.
Huh.
Hey, are you on the MNQ or the NQ? Both of you guys.
I'm on NQ, 15-minute chart.
I'm on NQ also. And if you look over here in the 30-minute, we have a lot of wicks. Wick.
They're going to go without me. Oh.
Think so?
They're trying.
Think about giving another shot here. Thinking about giving it another shot. These are my charts right here.
Oh, he's talking about
you're
mine.
delayed. Yeah, you're delayed. That's Jesse's charts.
Yeah, that's the buying and selling pressure. They turn blue or red depending on who's in control at the moment.
All right,
It's basically just it's based on volume delta.
Let's see.
Over the last X amount of bars.
Let's see.
Oh, you're in? You're in?
Can I get my money back?
Well, they're going without me. I missed it. Darn it.
Hopefully they just keep leaving the station without you.
Yeah.
Rip it.
Hey, thanks, Will.
Yeah, hey, thanks, Will.
Who makes it? I made it. I made it in ChatGPT. I mean, you got to know at least a little bit about, programming and stuff too. You got to kind of guide ChatGPT and say, no, don't do that. Do this instead. But you can pretty much do anything in ChatGPT nowadays.
You son of a biscuit.
Yeah. Did you hear the order book imbalance? They're trying to smack it down.
I want to close the night at the high water mark. It's not looking like it's going to happen.
Ah, there you go, Market Stalker. Perfect. You got it then. I made it myself. So what you do is you take the CVD, the cumulative volume delta, over however many bars you want, and then break it down to a percentage of the total volume. So buying delta versus selling delta divided by, et cetera, et cetera. You got it.
Yeah, I don't like this.
And in the bottom left corner of my chart, if we switch back to my chart, you'll see.
Let's switch back.
You're out? Oh, shoot.
That's all right. I took a small loss. I ain't let it stop me out.
Yeah. So I got a box down in the bottom down here that shows the 3-bar, 7-bar, 20, 50, 100, 200 bar, and then an average of all of them. Okay. So this over here is just a slightly different way of seeing some of this data, if that makes sense. And then the one in the middle is a little more complex. The little tiny guy, that is a measure of the delta since the last time one of these, the buyers or the sellers, hit a certain threshold. I've got it set to, I think it's set to 70% maybe. I can't remember right now. Then it keeps track of everything. So the idea is if the sellers take over, this now starts counting and tells me how strong are they still in control. And if this number is shrinking, like it just did, there you go. Yeah, I got book maps over here on the other screen. So I developed that before I had book maps, so I probably don't really need it anymore. Come on, give me my long. Jeez.
You're not thinking about short at all?
No, I want to, if we get right down into here, guys, between the ATR band and this pink line, somewhere right here, and I see the buyers take over control up here on book map, that's where I'm going to hit the button. They're just not bringing it down there for me. Oh,
We got those. We got the VWAP way below us. It's at 202 now.
Yeah, it's down there, huh? Let me see how far down it is. Woo. That's way down here.
I know.
Holy smokes.
But VWAP could come up a little bit too. I'm hoping
Wow.
my micro trade hits while I'm sleeping tonight. I'm starving right now. I want to eat.
Go grab some M&Ms.
No, I don't want that. I want something else. I don't know what. I don't need to eat. I'm going to go to bed here shortly. I have crazy dreams if I eat before I go to bed.
Yeah.
Like nuts. I drink a lot of water tonight.
Me too. Okay, are they going to try to drop it a little bit here? Let's see.
Tony, I think we're going down towards his VWAPs. Do we spike it down at London and bring it back up? What's crude oil doing? Crude oil's only down 59 cents now. So we'll see if they try to push it.
Okay, seller is still in control. You guys can see that up here, right? On the book map. There we go. There we go. All right, now I'm waiting for buyers. As soon as the buyers hit, they got to hit harder than that. Come on. I want to see the sellers fall off and the buyers hit hard, and then I'm in. Come on. Come on.
Oh, boy.
They're still pushing down.
Oh, boy.
Come on. Don't you go without me. Okay, good. Good thing I didn't get in yet. Still sellers. Still sellers. Okay, buyers stepping in. Oh, am I gonna? Still sellers. They're absorbing it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Okay, buyers took over. All right, I'm in. Oh shoot, wrong ATM. Let me move it. Holy smokes! I gotta go behind this ATR band, and I'm gonna try to get back up here.
So how many ticks is that you're risking?
I don't even know. Holy smokes, I was on the wrong ATR. Whoa, how did I do that? Oh, I was too soon. I'm too early. I didn't wait for the ATR band. Not good.
What price is the ATR band at?
I got a little excited. ATR band starts at 336-ish. Dang. I might take another paper cut here.
Hey, just think when you go to bed tonight that if you lose any fingers, they grow back.
Yeah, Dave. I maybe Dave. I mean, there's a few people in here that are thinking that way. 23,600 before we wake up, maybe.
Whoa! Hopefully we go down and hit my targets on the micros first.
Yeah, let's.
Then we wake up and see it way up there. Then I'm fine with that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sellers still. Ooh, boy. Come on, where are my buyers at? There we go. There we go. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Step it up.
Kind of interesting to see how your trade's gonna work out.
Step it up. I didn't wait for the ATR band, so this is my bad habit. I try to front run my trade setups. It's not good. Not a good habit.
If I had that catapult, we'd fix it. Every time you don't do something right, I'll zap you. Wake up under the JPM collar, maybe. My trade ends tomorrow.
Crude's trying to lift up too. Oh, actually, there's a wick on the top of this candle. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Push. Yeah, oil needs to go down. Yeah, there we go. All right.
Hey, is oil going down right now with it? Let's see.
A little bit. There's a
Not
wick
much.
on the 5-minute candle, but it's not really dropping.
So how much you up on that trade now?
$95. I saw 200, but
Saw
it's
200.
coming back down now. Darn it.
Hey, so when do you manage that trade? What's your process
Right now,
for managing it?
Right now, normally I would be on. See my ATM right there says to be on the 120 tick ATM. I'm not. I'm on a static one. So that was a mistake. I put it on an ES ATM somehow. I don't know how I did that. Oh, it's because this other chart is set to the wrong ATM. That's why. So this should be on 160, 120. That's what happened. So anyhow, I saw $195 in the green and I didn't take it. Bummer. And now it's trying to go down to that ATR band. Phew. I should have waited for it. Yeah, oil is lifting up too. Yep. Yep, oil going up.
Hey, Jesse.
NQ dropping.
Hate to do this to you.
What? You short?
Yeah, I just put my screen up. I'm moving my stop in the money.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah.
185. I need to go down. If I would have closed at the low, I probably would have been close to being back from those last two losses. So I hope we go back down a little bit more. Where's your ATR band? Do we just tap it?
No, it moved. It's at 332.
332. I might look to exit there, and that will probably put me back. 332 might put me back at session highs. Then I can say I'm done trading for the night.
Yep.
We'll put your trade back on. Where's your stop loss on your trade right now?
326.
All right, so we'll flip back over to you so I'm out of this trade.
I stuck it below the ATR band, which is now moved lower, which is not a good sign either. So I'm going to get skunked. That's all right.
Well, micro trade's in the money too. We need a little bit more.
U.S. markets. Yeah, I know how to kill the ATM and reapply. I did that earlier.
Yeah, I freaking need to break that low right there. Low break through that low, I think I'm going to just kill it. Just.
Yeah, if it doesn't flush it, you mean just close it?
Just want just a little spike through it. I'll close it. I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I'll put me back. I'm gonna put your trade back on.
You can hear the order book imbalance on Bookmap trying to get after it. So that was probably a good close.
Maybe. I heard your little sonar going off.
Yeah. That's buyers loading up the order book on Bookmap.
Hey Sam, what's up? Welcome. If you guys want to hang out in the New York session too, I stream starting around 8 a.m. in the morning on the main channel.
That's 8 a.m. Eastern.
And there's a link to the main channel.
Yeah, make sure you're subscribed over there.
Tomorrow we're going to be doing a duck race, giving away a free Take Profit Trader account too. So we'll see who's going to be the winner. What's oil doing?
The oil's still creeping up.
It's only down 9 cents.
It's creeping up.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Sheeran says, market is an idiot.
I agree. I say it all the time. Stupid market.
Yeah, I agree too.
Hey, so if we look at crude oil real quick, it's almost back to the VWAP right there. So.
And this was my fault. I should have waited. I remember I was sitting there saying, I'm waiting until it gets down to my ATR band, and I didn't wait. So
I was shorting it down to your ATR band.
Yeah, that's smart. I should have been doing that too.
I used Jesse's indicator kind of for a target. I did kill it a little bit early. I got scared. Heard the bookmap sonar go off. I was like, uh-oh. Ruh-roh.
Yeah, and it did lift up there from there too. So that was a good stop or a good close. I think.
Hey, I'm up right around $100 on that micro.
Sweet.
So if I wake up in the morning that hits, oh man, I'll be good. I'll be starting off the morning on the right foot. We'll see if I can slowly give it all back in the New York session. That'll suck.
Nah, you got this.
That's what I said this morning too.
Should be called a tweet market. Yeah, tell me about it.
I need him to come out when I was in my long trades this morning. Trump wasn't helping me. He's off schedule.
Damn, I should have taken that $195.
Isn't that funny when you're up 195? Like, nah, I want more. Then once you get down, like, oh man, I wish I would have took that 195.
Yeah.
It's funny how perspective changes as you're in the trade.
Mm-hmm.
Just like if I've ever been down like 500 bucks on a trade, I'm like, oh man, that sucks. And then you get down like 2 grand, like, oh wow, this really sucks. Then you get back to 500, you're like, oh, I'm only down 500.
Yeah, and you hold it instead of close it. Yeah. I know all about that.
We're trying to push down.
Also, I should have taken that 800 bucks up here.
Yep.
Actually, it gave me 2 opportunities. Look, right here, and then again, and I still didn't take it.
I mean, I've been doing the same thing the last week and a half.
Yeah.
That's been part of my problem. I've been looking for bigger moves.
Yeah, it was like 800. No, I want 1,000.
Yeah. Let's see if they're gonna break it.
There's a little bit of a battle going on here. Let's see who wins.
Yeah, I had a hard time today in New York. I started off green from Sunday night, gave it all back plus like 2,600 bucks, got it back, went back slightly in the red. I think when we ended the stream, I was slightly in the red. I think, or maybe I was back to break even somewhere in that ballpark. And then I fought later in the afternoon, and got back basically to where I was before I even traded the New York session. Bloomberg's doing everything they do to make crude oil go higher. Yeah, crude oil going higher is not good for our markets.
No. Bloomberg execs must be short. short the NQ and the ES.
Yep.
God, will this thing just take my stop already or rip?
No, I think when you're out of that trade, I'm gonna jump off and go to bed. I think.
Yeah.
Wait and get up tomorrow.
I'm thinking the same. I really should have waited. So really, I should be long from down here. Just for those of you watching my.
Well, just ask me if you get a mulligan on it.
So I should be long from here. And my stop's still there, right? So the risk to reward should be way better than this. But I tried to front run it.
I'm up 100 on the micro.
All right.
Hopefully we wake up in the morning and we're good.
Ooh, they're getting it. Ooh. They're getting it. DCA, yeah. I'm trying to break that habit. That's a bad one for me. Woo! Every time I do it, I get smoked.
Yeah, it does suck a little bit. I hate when that happens.
They're talking about oil going to 150? No way. Really?
Yeah, they've been saying 200 even.
What the?
Yeah. 200.
Guys, I can't take that. I mean, dude, I have a big Super Duty diesel truck. I sent Mike a picture of my local Chevron. Do you have a way of showing that on the stream? No, because it's on your phone, huh?
I might be able to put my phone up to the camera.
Dude.
I'm just trying to set this stream up for
I don't know where you guys are at in the country, but you'd flip out if you saw the price of diesel right now where I live. Oh.
I got the stream set up for the morning.
Okay,
that way I don't forget. We're almost. All right, let me find that picture on my phone. Let's see. Text.
Yoda, thank God we have an EV too. We've got a Kia EV9. Thank goodness. Oh,
it was another. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there. Oh, it might. I think it inverts the numbers.
Oh,
Yeah, it messed up the numbers.
what is it? 852?
No, it was 820, 829.
829. Woo! Exciting times.
Hey, if you want Supreme gasoline, it's 857. Holy. Hey, your regular gas is $6.19 for regular unleaded. That is nuts. I think we're at like high threes. You guys are double.
Dude, we did the math. It would cost me over $300 to fill my tank.
Yeah, Texas 349. Just ain't right, it says.
Yeah, I'm trying to drive like a grandpa, super slow, light-footed until I'm hoping I can make it through this ordeal on this tank of gas. Oh man.
Get an electric bike. I'm thinking about getting an electric dirt bike so I can ride around my property. I'm gonna make a little track.
No, they're gonna hit me.
Oh, Bob paid 404. Hey, Bob, was that for a regular? Yeah, you're not far from your stop. I'm done till the morning, other than my micro trade.
Yeah, me too. After this one, I'm calling it. I don't want to give anything back. Anything more back.
Well, hey, good news is you can just hit reset.
Huh.
Just reset the sim account. Boop, you get it all back if you end up down. I wish I had that reset button for a live account.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Not the deposit money. They got deposit instead of reset. They mean where you just hit reset, whoop, all your money goes back.
Okay, we're right at the point of control for tonight's session too.
I don't have that.
Yeah, mine's right here.
I got the point of control at 23,152.
152, way down there?
Yeah.
Wow, I wonder what's different between our two. Because mine's, you see it on my chart, right? Right over here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I do like my micro trade going down. Let's see if I hit my target, but I don't know. We'll see. We shall see.
Oop, they're trying to push it. Oh, they're about to tag me. I'm not going to move that stop either. I'm just going to
Don't move it. Don't move it. How big of a stop is it right now? How much are you down?
450.
Is that a pretty big stop loss for you, or is that normal?
That's the normal size, yeah. Well, on this ATM, but remember, it's all based on the current ATR. So the bigger the ATR, the bigger my stops and targets are.
Oh, here's selling.
Yeah,
I trades. What's up?
We're about to tag it. Oh, stop filled.
Oh, man.
Darn it. Darn it.
All right. I mean, the good news is that micro trade I put on is in the green at the moment at 130. I'm hoping this trade hits while I'm sleeping.
Where's that? Where are you targeting?
I'm really trying to target. Yeah, well, no, I'm really playing off that VWAP, but we have a structure breakout point right here. Structure breakout point, I kind of just put it right in the middle of that. Candle wick to the candle body right here. We have the VWAP down there as well.
I think you got it. I think you'll get it.
Maybe.
Hell, it might go there before you go to sleep.
I don't know.
They're trying.
They're trying. Look, I have my regression channel facing down the 1 minute. Is yours facing down yet, or is it still going up? No, you're using a higher time frame. It's
down slightly. It's not down as aggressively as yours is, but it's down. Mike Pryor says this is like clockwork. Really? Last night we were ripping up. Wait a minute. What time? Let's see. What time is it right now?
11:49.
23:49. Last night.
I don't know. I might kill this trade. I'm debating on just killing that micro and calling it.
Yeah, last night at this time it was ripping. So
I don't know. If I see 200 on that trade, I might Because here's my theory behind it. We're going to hit the VWAP probably at some time before we wake up in the morning, maybe London or whatever. And we look at where VWAP is right now. It's all the way down here at 206.
Ooh, now they're ripping it.
Hey,
Stop me out and then go.
Hey, look, we came into being oversold.
Did we?
Yeah, right into being oversold. Then we had the Delta flip up.
Yeah, we finally got down into my ATR band too, and then ripped.
And we had not. Oh, that's weird. So the MAQ had a 9 count down here. The NASDAQ did not. What about the ES? No 9 count in the ES either. Let's see what oil's doing. Is oil dipping? Oil's actually up 8 cents.
Dude, look at this move. They went right down into where I should have waited for and then ripped. Ah,
So why don't you just wait? Hey, let me see it real quick.
that's the problem.
Here, show me again. Show everybody. What'd they do? I put your charts back up.
Oh, yeah. So where did I get long? Up here somewhere? I should have waited to here. Didn't really go. Then I really should have got in here when we blew through it and ripped. Dang.
It's funny, like after you get out of trade, like dang it, if I would have just waited a little bit longer. But in the heat of the moment, you're like, I don't want to miss it. Let me just get in now.
Yeah, it's the FOMO.
Yeah, it's rough. It's rough.
Hey, let's put the link in there one more time. Everybody make sure you come hang out with Mike in the morning. I know we got a lot of new folks hanging out. Make sure you hit like, get subscribed.
I gotta pull back up that channel.
I try to hang out here whenever Mike's streaming in the evenings, but the real action's in the mornings.
Let's see.
Market is going down tomorrow.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll have to see what tweets come out.
Here's the link to the second channel or the main channel. Yeah, so we'll see.
Yeah, thanks, Mr. Montez. Yeah, you had a good call out earlier.
Yeah, he did. Yes, he did.
All right, next time, you guys hold me to it. Next time I'm up $800 on a trade, you need to yell at me in the chat to close it.
We gotta get a shot caller for him. We gotta get the heavy duty one we can find. The biggest, the baddest. Lay him out on the floor.
How often do you stream in the evening? Well, lately, Mike's been firing up the stream like every day, it seems like.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I've been doing it. I was almost gonna do it last night, but I decided not to. I was this close to doing it. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. You're gonna jump off too, Jesse?
Oh yeah, I'm tired, man.
All right, so hopefully you guys will come join me tomorrow on the live stream. If you guys do want to check out, you guys use prop firms out there and you guys want to support the channel, check out the links in the description box down below. Use code Mike. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys will come over and join me in the morning on the main channel. All right, guys. Take care.